Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Yes, your favorite color, what that, red? I red are your favorite color.
Tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people, let's go.
Get right. Let's go.
Listen me. Listen me. Hey. Hey, yeah. Hey. Up there, up there.
Tap up the screen, tap up the screen.
Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the lead for me tambourine mind, it can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord. Listen
Yeah, man, greetings, blessings, all massive and crew. Big up on yourself, Ragashanti live in on the years. And on the high side, right, on the big bad TikTok, yeah. Man, must say Tambourine Radio and things. In K. Edwards, big up yourself, in TamFam's large up on yourself. TamFam's. Where's the Cheryl Bless? A red and black, I do it. Award is just for you, boo. What's up? Oh, go on, people. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, big up. Yo. You know what I say? I want to learn. Let me see. You can't. Oh, you do? Oh, you invite somebody for co-host for a second, man. Mama Bird, oh, you invite somebody for invite somebody for co-host for a second. Oh, you do this thing, yeah? All right, well, let me see something. Go ahead, so. You didn't have this? The arrow at the bottom right corner. Okay, let me see something. The arrow at the bottom right corner. Oh, no, that is share. Which arrow this? Let me see this. That one. Service plus. That has something to do with service. I'm not good at these things, you know. Let me see. What is? Co-host with creators. Okay, it's not an arrow. So let me see. All right, let me try something. No, I don't want a recommended creator. I want to. Oh. I can only co-host with people whose content is age protected. I think the person who I want to co-host with, I don't think VR content is age protected, so just want to surprise her, you know? No, what we do with VR content age protected, you know? I'm not telling now, so it would have been a surprise, you know? Anyway, let's see what this says. I can't read it. Legends are born in September. There's very few sentences that is more factual than this, okay? Very few sentences that are more factual than the following. Legends are born in September, all right? All right, Nick's Chemical. That is it. Okay. All right. See, the user 1979 said, that's right. Oh, you mean? Watch out. Haters, K. Edwards and Ting. Haters. Tony LaBelle, I think that's a misprint. It's actually November. When your birthday, Montrina? I lie. You see, Cheryl say March. Not least say July. Sandra say December. Your month a come up, you know, Sandra. Big up yourself, you know. Well, people, bless up on yourself, bless up on yourself, bless up on yourself, bless up on yourself. See, the seal was a Virgo simple around the world. Well, people, when I was in Thailand, I told you all that Christina, Brown Sugar, CBS. Some of you may not have seen that live that I did, but I got her a gift. Right? And some of you were concerned that I would have had some problems coming through with the gift, but I didn't, I'm a good behaving boy, so I don't make no trouble when I travel and all these things, so that worked out well. All right. And so I bring over our gift, Not least I will fear a souvenir. Not late, man. I tell you something, I join that something there. Because if I open that door, there'll be a problem. I have when I open that door there before, years ago when I travel. I stop them, some of them, man. Why if one person want, then you get shit, I ain't bring nothing for me. A beer that used to reach me, People, so Christina gift you. I'm done showing already, It come true. All right. You hear she talk about it Monday. Christina say a gift you. See, Christina say, I'm so exciting. Now, on TikTok, you can't. There are certain things you can't do feature on TikTok. You understand? Because TikTok's tricking. So, we won't be showing this long, but I'm making a know say it reach. This is the thing when we did buy it too. In the floating market. When you're in, one of the things you're going to do, people who come on the Thailand trip next year, I'm going to take you on the floating market. There's a big thing over there, the floating market. Yeah, literally a market, a big market. Pan the water, you have to in a boat to go around. But this thing, it have a little VIX thing about it, And some people want to come co-host with me, you know what I mean? Yeah, me buy that something, This is for your muscles and thing, So, put this one side. And say, Christina, something, Now, as somehow notice, the lady said, she demonstrates and says, them use it for massage. You rub the muscles and all these things, right? But, you already can't see the shape, no? But this is for Christina. All right, so remember, I said we're not going to show it too much because of TikTok. So we're doing a quick prep. And I say I look a man right and a Jamaican man, I'm insecure body, I don't pay him no mind. Raga, what you do with him something that you should even hold that as a big man and I and when I got my lows off for you, you should even hold that as a big man. If you hold them something, if you touch them something. Yo, Jamaican men are simultaneously like some of the most confident men there are, and at the same time, some of the most insecure men there are, whatever. Anyway. All right, so I just tell you I send it to Christina, and Christina going to take a picture with it and send it to me so I can show her so she get it and thing. Now really, them have this thing where, Asian people, they're really into massages and when you go to Thailand, like massage is a big thing over there, you can get all kind of massage at Thailand, like big thing. You can get spiritual massage and all them something. So this thing, it really thick, hard, and there's some way for rub in your muscle. But they make them different shades and different dimension. And they make that one the most interesting. No, I tell you that one I can use women if they want to be creative with it. Yeah. Right? Cheryl says she'll come to Thailand next year. Very nice. I'm looking forward to you being there. All right. So this is it. Right? Christina, now, apparently you hold it and then you use this part and you rub the muscle. The woman showed in the video. Some women never see the video. But they made it like this and it is quite obvious what it is about. I can't keep it out too long because TikTok now. But I just want you guys to know that I'm going to send it to Christina. It's a gift for Christina. And as far as I'm concerned, it's a tool to massage. So Christina said, Raga, put away my things. Yeah. Harvard Stewart said, whoa, yes, man. Then he said, Lord of mercy. Tony Fox says, CBS, I hear that. Yeah. All right. So, and CBS, when I send it to you, I want you, if you can come on and show them, say you have it, you know. God, for whatever reason, some people think they like we make. Nah, Raga no juggle over here there, yeah? Raga, I don't Raga thing that, you know. Lana said she paralyzed, right? Jacine said, want to see it, you know. Strictly Seafood Jamaica says she's gonna have a good ride. I mean, good night. Carolee said, what do they bring back from me? Nothing. Right? Yeah. See you, little Raga. Me love massage too. Oh, for real? Yo, massages are a big thing in Thailand. Like huge. Like big thing in Thailand, you know? Enough people get a massage when them go over Thailand. And you have whole heap of links and thing and whatever, you know? And of course, if you're getting a massage and you want extra, man or woman, you can get extra over there too. It's a thing. But you have to be careful because you have enough massage place they don't do those things and whatever. But you have to know which one. But it's a thing over there, you know. If you have massage, you can. Yeah. But of course, you know, Raga, me never get a massage over there. And even if I get massage, Jacine say, Raga, overnight meal it to her. You're dying for she get it, eh? Divine says she would enjoy the souvenirs in Pompey. All right. So, Lakrish, Raga, what's happening tonight? Well, you know, say you're not here regularly. If you ever ask what's happening tonight, see something there in the chat. Take out that nude PUSSY in bio. See it come up there. Them a bomb up the thing. I see two of them and things. So, moderators, get rid of that there for me, you know. All right. Yeah. Nah, man, don't block them not me because a regular thing that, man. Them come up and thing. You know, listen. Yeah, La Kirsch. That is the name, La Kirsch. Big up yourself, you know. We know the thing set, man, you know, someone depend on the hustling and thing. You know. Christina, CeeLo says she happy for you. CeeLo says she happy for you. CeeLo says she happy for you. Big things are going for you, dog.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
All right. No, I never get no massage. No. I never do no massage and thing. I'm a funny about them thing there. Too nobody I feel me up and all that. So. Yeah. No, man, no, but massages, they have nice, classy places over there. You get real good massages. They're good at it. And you get it at a nice price too, you know? It's a thing. A lot of people, it's like, there's a thing amongst a lot of people. It's like, wait, you go to Thailand and you never get a massage. What's wrong with you? Type of thing, you know? So it's a big deal for people to get massages over there. You know, and the man, them love it, you know? So I know if you say that, take a massage before you lick the shower. All right, people, here we are going. I'm sitting for read, waiting. Here we are going. I'm going to know the topic, don't I know so I'm calling with any mix-up on that, but we have a topic where we are work with, and of course the topic is left and one come back mix-up. Left and one combat mix up. Left and one combat mix up or any other mix up one. Right? People who left you and then want come back in. Come back in and juggling and them something there. Or if you left somebody and you want them back, you know, come call and give you the mix up. If you check by something throughout the show. You know. Alright. It's not there yet. Anyway, I mean, I look at things I'm going to read. Some of them things up on the internet, you know, really know if them are true, you know. Alright, but boy, I'm telling me read that one day, I say I want to read it for me, you know, so story time, you know, I want to sit down and get comfortable. And again, I say picture and this and that and whatever. So some people say it's true and whatever, but listen to this now. So this person is responding to my ex-husband's post. He stated that he married me, sponsored my nursing education, brought me to the States, and that I betrayed him by helping my boyfriend get his documents to join me and then got me pregnant. So again, you know, what I'm about to read to you is a response, right? She says, responding to my ex-husband's post. He stated that he married me, sponsored my nursing education, brought me to the States, and that I betrayed him by helping my boyfriend get his documents to join me and then got me pregnant. All right, listen to this now, you know, story time. Exactly, Cookie Monstrous, yeah. So this is her responding now to her ex-husband post. Please, I am not writing to defend myself, but to explain exactly what happened so that people can also understand my situation. So this is how it all started. Firstly, my parents are retired teachers, and at the time, I had to drop out of college because we ran out of money. It was a very hard time for my family. That's when this man's mother came to our house and told my mom she wished her son would marry me. My family encouraged me to accept, even though they knew I was already in a serious relationship and deeply in love with my first love. I felt I had little choice. My husband was living abroad and doing very well. I actually saw this as an opportunity to help my family escape hardship. I wanted to please my family too. After a few messages, he came back home and we got married. Yes, this house banana. Yes. Oh, hold on, I'm going to go over here. So now. Yes, it's true that before we traveled back, I asked him for a favor. Instead of rushing my documents, I pleaded with him to enroll me in nursing school first. I felt it would be expensive for me to study abroad, and having a local degree would help me get a good job when I finally joined him. He was happy, called me smart, and proud of my ambition. He registered me for school and rented and furnished an apartment for me. Just a few months after my husband left, my first love came to me, very upset, pleading that he still loved me very much. I felt so much pity for him. He had done nothing wrong, and I was still very much deeply in love with him. I couldn't resist. We started seeing each other again, and he even moved in with me. To support us, I started asking my husband for more money, complaining of financial need, and he always sent a large amount. I used some of this money to enroll my first love in an IT program. So she take her husband money, you know, and I send our first love go school, and the husband I send she go nursing school and a minor and all these things. I used some of this money to enroll my first love in an IT program to get an international certificate that could help him get a good job abroad. We planned that once I moved to the States, I would process his immigration papers so he could join me later. We saw this as a chance to change both our lives. A few months after I graduated, my visa was ready and I joined my husband in the States. He was so happy. That same week, I immediately started looking for a job. My husband was so proud and happy to have an ambitious wife. He even helped me get a work permit and submit my resume to several hospitals. And that's how I got a job. I stayed in touch with my first love. After 4 years of being abroad, I was stable and established. After several attempts, his visa was approved. I didn't care anymore if my husband found out because I was deeply and truly in love with my partner. I planned on revealing everything to my husband eventually and asking for his forgiveness. But he somehow discovered the truth before I could. It's true, I didn't feel regretful about my choices for my life. Instead, I gave him divorce papers. My decision was final. I am asking for forgiveness, Roland, our husband. I am truly sorry to say this, but our marriage was based on obligation from the start. I never truly loved him. My heart belongs to someone else. I did what I did out of love for my partner. I am just a person who made a difficult decision out of love. I am not here to defend myself, but to sincerely apologize. I am so sorry, Roland. You're a good man. Even after everything I did, you still asked to save our marriage. And even when I was pregnant for someone else, and you kept apologizing when I was the one who was wrong. Why, Roland? Roland too nice, man. Yeah, ladies, I admit it, but nice guys and get the raw deal, She said, even after everything I did, you still asked to save our marriage, even when I was pregnant for someone else. Even after I did, you still asked to save our marriage, even when I was pregnant for someone else. And you kept apologizing when I was the one who was wrong. Please forgive me. I am sorry that I cannot stay. Please consider my feelings too. This blood clot. Please consider my feelings too. My heart belongs to another, and staying would not be fair to either of us. That is true. Thank you so much for signing the divorce documents. My partner and I are ready and willing to repay everything and more that you have ever spent on me. Please name your price. I plead with you to see me as a sister you helped out of a difficult financial situation. Please, let's not be enemies, but try to be friends. I am sure that God will reward you and send you someone who will love you just as you deserve. Roland. Yeah. So she said she is the daughter of retired teachers, money now run, all these things and whatever. Financial strain. A family friend of a son and said, boy, you know, match and whatever. Her parents said, no, man, you have to link with him. And she said the parents, them know, so she already there with her first love, but the parents see opportunity in her money and said, money, I can't do things here or whatever. So she said she feel pressured to do it and she do it because her parents tell her to do it and she go married her, the husband. The husband committed and devoted and is all about her and thing, and the husband take care of her and work hard and mind her. Yeah? And the husband send her go nursing school and encourage her and push her and bill her. And while the husband a do that now, she goes to boom and still there with her little man. And when she need money now, for her little man or whatever, she go to her husband and tell her husband say she need the money for this and that and that and that and that. And I mind her little man down there, I mind her little man, yeah? And then when the little man say, I want to go IT school or whatever, and husband don't send her go nursing school, work and I send the money go give her and whatever. She goes, so boom, I move to the husband too and give him all of to, you understand, and tell him this and that, taranat, what and thing, and get money and send her spooky go IT school and all them something there and whatever and thing, And the husband goes up bumps and send for her, but before she leaves, she tell her spooky, say, no, worry yourself when thing balance and thing like that and whatever, me, I go left him and send for you. You understand? And she go up there and and just as she said, she go up there and the husband has spent pan her and a bill with her and thing, and after several years, 4 years, she goes up bam and send for her little boy, when the general come up and thing and you can get visa and come up and whatever, she goes up boom and divorce Roland, her husband named Roland, and divorce Roland. Gone to her man, and her man breed her. Which suggests say she didn't make sure it's a Roland a breed her. And the man come up and the man breed her. Yeah, and then Roland must make a post and say how him do this or whatever, boom, and she respond to Roland now. And I said, boy, Roland, and this go on, and she talk to the people him too. And I say, something, let me tell her now what go on, and wait. But she said she not come to defend herself or nothing, because basically she know what she do. She know what she do. But she not condemn herself, She not say it bad or anything, She do it. Ladies, don't vex. Don't vex. I keep it 100. Ladies, you know me defending you, don't. You know me defending you. But when I forget a whopping, I get the whopping too, don't. So, typical of woman, when woman do them something, she's actually positioning herself as a victim when you need to understand, So, the thing, the rough and thing, but did have to do this for you. I have to do this, I have to make you do this, I do what I did have to do, I did it for my man. And if I did it for my man, I have to use you. And you're a good man, but, you're a good man, then it's because you're a good man that I could have used you. Because if you weren't a good man, I couldn't use you. You're not fucked up. Yeah, she literally saying, she said, but no, he's a good man. Yeah, and it's because you're a good man, I know say, I'm going to use you for take care of my people and take care of me and set up our thing for our life, Because if you weren't a good man, I couldn't use you them way there, Roland is a nice guy, And at one point, what she saying like she said, yo, you need to understand when I go through, okay, She said, please consider my feelings too. Roland, she attacked me, And she said, please consider my feelings too. It's the island girl, but I need a Roland. Now we kidding, Yeah, woman about please consider my feelings. So Roland, she attacked you, and I said, Roland, you need to consider my feelings too, because, the thing did rough upon me. That's why I did have to use you in such a brutal and cruel way. Right? So you think about my feelings too, I had to be mean and cruel to you and use you and just use you in an awful, nasty, disgusting way, a dehumanizing way. I had to do it. Consider my feelings. I had to do it, She's a victim. She's a victim. She's not defend herself, but, there are people in the world like that, There are people in the world out there like that, Yes, your life funny. Look for all of woman de lo. What can you send Roland over here? I need a good man. Okay, but you probably want a good man to be with a good man. And then now, as usual, if Roland get cool, and wicked, some people see all man Roland all move wicked after this and just a dirty man that or whatever. And I know where Roland go through, make Roland stay so. Yeah, but it's a justification for me that is always interesting with these things, the justification, like, it's like she said she not defend herself and she not look no defense or whatever, but basically the language used is basically saying, me didn't have to do it, me have to do it, you know. Right? One of them thing there. Anyway, left and one come back, mix up and thing. Left and one come back. Yo, can you imagine now Ali fam? Our first love, as she referred to him. Exactly, CeeLo. Can you imagine if like our so-called first love, like mash up our media now and go wide pan her and thing. And then she goes so boom and I drive back for Roland. And go say like me learn my lesson now and you me really and come back to Roland would be a damn idiot and go back this way, you know. John no. Bullet fear. No man. No bullet, no violence. You learn your lesson, you fall down, you get back up, you keep it moving. And you just make sure say you govern your thing. You know. Shanna Lee, come up in our box and tell me your story. Come up in our box and tell me your story. So all right, people, now come in right now. Remember, left and one come back mix up. Left and one come back mix up. Any mix up where somebody left, go on with something and left you or left somebody else or whatever who you know. Chat up a bag of things, do all some wicked things, go on with some sitting and thing and left. And then whatever happen out the road with them and all these things, them go so boom and I draw back, you know. I want to come back in and fall. I want they back with you or they back with the person who them left and whatever. Come up in a chat and give away preke. Come up in a chat and give away the preke. Right? Yeah, come up in a chat and give away the mix up there. Or any other mix up wanna have. Any other mix up wanna have. All right? Any other mix-up wanna have. A few I wanna responded to the thing yesterday when me I telling her say it has long been the case that in relations, a long time something with this, like so many people are in a position where who them wanna want them and who no want who them wanna want them and who them no want them, you know? People them who are dead over them and would I do anything for them and who really love them and thing. Which, by the way, people, is something me can understand, you know. But I get it. I get it to some extent. But people who love somebody who don't love them, again, you know, like I said before, the only part of that I understand is that if somebody did really love you, which is different from love bombing, this is a contemporary term. Love bombing is like people who flood you with kindness and flood you with attention and flood you with the right words and whatever. Boom, boom, boom. Just to get you in. And I love that, you know. But yeah, people who do that. And some of them can be very convincing at it. But the people who have experienced, you know, what they thought was love and joy with somebody before, and then in not receiving it anymore, and perhaps getting even the opposite of what they used to get, like them getting abused. But kind of understand them people, you know, because they had experienced something pleasurable, you know, it's like optimally gratifying with this person before. So I can understand how somebody can, even when I'm getting abused from that person, can say, but no, I know them have it in them because I have experienced it from them. That I get, you know. I mean, I agree with it, but I get it, you know. So I can understand, you know, the necessity to engage in the proper processes to evolve from that situation and to accept the present reality and do not be encapsulated in the past permanently. I understand that. But the one them who never experienced that with somebody, right? And then the person now is, you know, is being disrespectful to you and abusive to you and them something there, and you still say you love them. But how you? You mind, you know? It's like you not like me and you not treat me good. Not a problem over here. We're good over here. Okay, fine. Bye. Moving right along. Me don't even dislike you or whatever. This and you know, yeah, me and yeah. That's why you say some people who run down people. They never run down something there, you know. Run down for what? Yeah. I don't know. But yeah, I have no problem. I have no problem, Auntie. You know, when you have that look of confidence and reassurance, it's like, well, if not you, there's many more. Hello, right? And I understand, because one of my, I remember some young man who was having a conversation with in Jamaica, and they're like, Raga, you can't put yourself in a everybody thing or whatever, and I get that, So I must say, Ragashanti scenario is not reflective of what all people are go through. That me understand, That me understand to the extent that, that somebody like me, would perhaps have more options than some other people. I get that. But just fundamentally though, that if somebody not treat you good, if somebody's abusive to you, well, what do you mean you love them? You don't love them. You're not supposed to love somebody who abusive to you. You understand? Precisely. Okay? Anyway, any mix-up wanna have one thing on the send on left and one combat mix-up or any other mix-up. Left and one combat mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have come up in the chat now. Come talk to me and give me the mix-up the man thing. Alright? Come up in the chat, come talk to me and give me the mix-up them. And everybody who there, make sure you do a heart me right now. Just press the orange heart beside my name. You just have to do it one time every 24 hours. And then it would guide you to doing a heart me. Okay? Just press the orange heart beside my name on your device. And you can do a heart me.
Good night, Raga.
Wagwan.
What's going on? Welcome back.
Why, thank you, Taller. Thank you.
Why you don't lick up that melon thing that you were watermelon thing that you were sucking up the other day.
What are you talking about?
Anyway, that's I just wanted to mention that.
All right. Just in passing, Well,
So,
I'm
yeah,
not
so
here-
my
no, I'm not
ex
here about
is-
myself. Well, I'm not here about myself.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Let me take you off my headset.
Yeah.
Can you hear me better? Clearer?
No, I was hearing you clear. I just was hearing me too. Yeah, but I'm not hearing it now, so we're good now. Yeah.
Yeah, so my ex is one of those left and wanna come back type of situation.
Tell me about it.
So he and I, we were going out for about 3 years.
Yeah.
We did. When I tell you, we did everything. We did everything together.
Right.
My family loved him.
Yeah.
They still love him.
Right. One of
They
them
still love him, and I can't stand it how they still love him.
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
Oh my god. So anyway, we broke up about 3 years later, and he met somebody else.
Yeah.
Yeah, he met someone else, and that lasted like, I don't know, not long.
Right.
And like, I can't get rid of him.
And keep on a drawback for y'all now, though.
All the time. And he's very affectionate, so he does it in front of my mother, my sisters. He doesn't care. He invites himself over for every Thanksgiving. He's here at Christmas time. If there's a birthday, we don't invite him. He's like, how comes I didn't get invited? I mean, everything. But I am not interested. I am so not interested.
So, well, when you say him come over and him like, where him like him huggy and touchy and...
Yes. Huggy, feely. Yes, all of that stuff.
But, so how long now this a go on? How long now since you stop that?
Broke up since 2015.
What?
I swear to you,
And
2015.
so this has been going on for 10 years now?
Yes.
So, if you don't mind me ask you,
Okay, let me also mention he's Taylor's dad. That's the thing, too.
oh, it's your daughter's father.
Yes. Yes.
Ah, yeah. But have you, and I would imagine he has a great relationship with his daughter, right?
Yes, he does. And
And
I'm telling you, my family loves him.
family love him and Taylor love him, no?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh, yeah, that's weird. But let me be honest. Let me just ask you a pointed question. Have you been like resolute and firm with him? Hey, don't hug him.
Absolute. I mean, he has no shame. He has no shame. No shame. I do it in front of my mother. My mother sits there and watch him like us interact, and I am just always like, like I am not interested, but he does not have any shame. I'm serious.
No, but what I'm saying, you can't control him for have shame in him, but you can control the boundaries where you put up.
Oh, I do. I do.
You sure?
I am 100%, 100%.
What if I were to say like, now, if there are ways to be put up clear, like firm boundaries where people no cross, no X no cross, and thing and that, But
Like
you perhaps you have not put those up,
Raga, I have. I'm telling you, I have.
Like you may have communicated them, but probably him sense
No, in action, in everything. I mean, if I travel, let's say I go to Florida a lot, he will get so mad because, okay, here's the thing that I think, I don't know how to explain it. So I think when people want to cheat or they want to justify their cheating, they will say that the other person is cheating, right? So supposedly I cheated on him, and that's why he cheated. So he claims, but that never happened, right? And he thinks, and in his head, I cheated with somebody in Florida. I don't know where he got that from. So if I go to Florida, even if I take Taylor with me to Florida, which I usually do, I'm going to Florida to see a man. I don't know which man. You know what I mean? But
that's what happened in your relationship, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
But I had so much, when I told you I had so much respect for this guy, I had so much respect for him. I had no interest in no one else. He cheated, and then he's trying to use that I cheated. And I said to him, oh, okay, if I cheated, then why do you want to come back with me? Like, aren't you afraid that I'm going to cheat again? Like, I don't get it. And whenever I bring that up, he can never answer that question.
Again, I mean, this is delicate, but I still have to say to you, there must be something going on with you or with him where even when you communicate the boundaries and you tell him so and so and so, he's either sensing something or seeing something there or whatever, but that make him feel comfortable for still relate to you, like, honestly, that it's always the case that there is so. Can you have some people bowl and not care, but if after 10 years, there is something they must sense from you. There is something they must sense from you that
even Taylor gets in the middle sometimes, and it irritates her. Like, he will tell her, leave my mom alone, leave her alone. Like, she gets involved.
Yeah, but that is significant too, because if Taylor sees something where she thinks she have to speak up for you, then it suggests that she's observing something where she has to come to your aid. Kids don't go to their parents' aid if they don't think the parents need the aid, in general, So Taylor herself is seeing something where she thinks she has to speak up for you too,
Yeah.
But I mean, let us keep it 100 with you. There is something there going on with you in terms of you are flow with him. Is either you say, we're cool. But not like that. But we're cool because you're my daughter's father, so we want to have a civil relationship.
Well, I can't. Naturally I have to do that. That I have to do. I'm cool with you, but we're setting boundaries where there's nothing beyond the fact that we are co-parenting them. That's it.
All right. Me not tell you what if you do, but all right, me just touch that for a sec. You can co-parent without being cool with him. If he's gonna exploit you being cool, and I would imagine from what you're saying, he's the type of person who would gaslight you, if you pull away, he's gonna twist it around and say, yeah, this and that, or whatever, blah, blah, blah. But make him do what he want to do. But if it's a situation where you're not for cool with him, don't cool with him. Are you seeing somebody else now?
I am.
Is that person aware of that dynamic with him?
Yes.
I would imagine that he's not comfortable with it.
He's pretty secure in himself. So
And I'm saying, okay, all right. So okay, and that's good. That's good. Yeah. But what I'm saying is, I don't even know what to say after 10 years of this, yeah, because him don't used to it now, he's like, whatever. But in that man's mind, he's observing something in here, whatever. And probably at the, you have someone like, we have a child together, she can't left me, type of thing, and we will always have that something there, and you have some man who think them way there. I don't know, so sometimes woman can't, no, we're done. We're not eat you, but we're done. And them just not getting it. But basically him not gonna change until you move in a way where him ever say, oh shit.
Sometimes I won't even talk to him for months. Because you don't need to call me to talk to Taylor because Taylor has her phone. So for months, sometimes I don't talk to him. See, I swear to you. And then if we do happen to speak, let's say Taylor's phone is dead and he happened to call me on my phone, all of a sudden, like, we are back to being chummy. Like he wants to be chummy again.
Nah, man, yeah, of course he wants to be and thing, but you say, boom, and him want to be chummy. You want Taylor?
I'm just straight up with him.
Yeah.
You want, hello, how you doing? And I just give Taylor
the
phone, and I give her the phone.
Yeah, man, I know. It sound like him not gonna stop. Obviously, he hasn't stopped over 10 years, so him not gonna stop until, and as long as him feels him can still do this and get away with it and thing, And obviously, because he's Taylor's father and thing, he's exploiting that relationship too. So, in a them situation, they, you usually have to just cut them off. And you still deal with him regarding Taylor, but just cut him off. No, don't do it. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Oh, no. Just like that. You still think that there's something there? I swear.
Yeah, no, I'm not seeing it and whatever, but but again, yeah, go on.
Serious. There's no smile when I say it. I am dead serious.
Yeah.
But then part of it too is, like I said, maybe because my family because he's a nice guy. He is.
Mm-hmm,
he's a nice guy. It's just that to me, you play that psychology game with me, and I just can't get back there. You're telling me that I cheated, and you know that I didn't cheat. So that whole psychology game that he played with me, we're not going back there. And I think deep down inside, I know that I didn't cheat. But why, I don't get it.
Probably just selfish and want him one way. Do what him want to do.
Yep.
So, your family like the person you're seeing now?
They do.
They do. Yeah. So how them flow with, Mr. Man compared to the person you see now? Oh, that laugh. Good.
No, my mom is like, my mom has I guess more like a better relationship with him than he is with my current.
And he knows that.
And he knows, yes, he does.
And he knows that, yeah. And he probably make sure him stay in touch with your parents and your mother and
yeah,
thing.
He calls all the time. He knows the birthdays. Like,
yeah, he might play that game now, man. Full court press, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Him not gonna stop, you know. So really the concern is that him not gonna stop. Him not gonna stop if him not have to stop, you know. So the question is, given that what you have been doing thus far is not working or has not worked, it's like, what can you do differently, you know? If you really want him to stop it.
Yeah.
If you stop draw for you and all them something
Maybe
then.
one of the things that he does too, like he'll send me like almost every day, I'll get like a good morning message, like good morning, or not necessarily him writing it, but you know those picture messages.
Him do that? After 10
Yes,
years, you and him left.
yes,
After 10 years, you and him left, him do
yes,
them something.
yes. And if I don't respond, he'll say, "Oh, you didn't see that I sent you good morning or something."
No, no, but you see exactly what I'm saying. He's doing these little mini, you know, type of you know, it seems like him doing these multiple mini things that cumulatively it to him, yo, there's some kind of relationship still going on here between she and I, you know.
That's what he wants to believe.
And that's what I want to believe. That man does a wait right there, you know. I wait right there, you know. I wait for see all if you see something like in a female, you know, if you have miss a man where you attack to, you know, on a work and thing, he's right there now. Wait
Oh,
him
yeah,
and wait him.
waiting, waiting.
And nah gonna win. Nah gonna win.
Honestly, I honestly have not seen, not that I know what happens in his daily life, but I have not seen him with anyone. No one. I have not seen him. Not, I don't know. I mean, I don't know for sure, 100%. But
Let me tell you, he's deliberately keeping that from you. There has been, and I would suspect more than one too. But him know why you know about that. And the
right,
fact that him know why you know about that is telling about his intention with you. And you have to understand that, you know. Yeah, you know, the fact that him not tell you, say, no, my girlfriend this, my fiance this, him no more, and whatever. Yeah. Cause woman dead, you know, him just make sure say you don't know about it, you know.
perhaps.
Yeah, man, him have long-term reconciliation goals with you in some way, form or the other, you know. So
That's not happening. That's not happening. So on my
no,
end, it's not happening.
but again, based on what you have said, what you have done thus far, it has not worked in terms of just, you know, forcing him to say, oh, I can't do this because I should do this, that. So you may want to consider alternatives, you know, different things. What that is, I'm not so sure yet. I don't know the details and everything, whatever. And it's a tricky thing because, you know, how you do that and balance respecting your child's father, who you say is not a bad guy, you know, he's not a, you know, like a jerk or anything like that. And the whole family dynamic too, you know, and them something. But this is a
Yeah,
boundaries issue. This is a boundaries issue. You know?
if something breaks in my sister's house, he's the one that they call. He's good with fixing things. He does everything. Like he's one of those type of guys who does all that type of stuff.
And this is your sister.
Yeah.
So your sister basically have
And
a
my
good
nieces,
relationship with him. Your
I'm
mother,
telling you, everybody loves
your
him.
niece, and everybody love him and thing like that. Lord Jesus. Difficult question. Women very often unconsciously then keep a man in a reserve position. Them not want him, you know. Them genuinely don't want him. But
I hear you talk about that a lot.
yeah, but them just unconsciously. And when I say unconsciously, I mean unconsciously. But them know what them are doing, you know. They don't do anything to kind of push him out time reserve status, you know. You know, women in general, it's like y'all are wired to think contingency. That's why you always hear people talk about woman if you have a backup plan. You know, women more than men would think of rainy day situation, you know? You know, sometimes a woman have to train man for do that and say, no, you have to put something aside for so and so. You know, when women are going on dates, you say you have to have your get back's money. So women, it's just a natural thing for women in terms of them survival and for balance the journey in life. You know, you never look a backup man. And sometimes people confuse the backup man and think that no, a lot of the backup man them woman have. What them not admit to themselves say them have. Them don't want them, but them want to keep them right there so. Right there so. Because if this thing a fall apart, at least you have look a company over there so. Yeah, you know, you have to be careful.
Are you trying to say that he's unconsciously my backup man? No.
No. I'm not saying that. And then the configuration can. It's your child's father, and he's a good father, and your child love him, and them something there. So all of that is just like confusing the thing, you know. You know, so it's not an easy situation. It's difficult for you. Most women would welcome, you know, them picnic father who them not there with, and them just glad say at least he's being a good father to the picnic them, and them no want to spoil that. Most women, can you know look how much workless man out there and spend time with the picnic them and whatever, and you know them see things happen where you know the father no in them life, and you know them something them bother mothers, you know them something them mothers not really too like them thing there. So if you as a mother, you know, you have your daughter and your daughter have this healthy relationship with her father, and like you said, the father is pretty much like, you know, he's fundamentally a good guy and he's a good father, and him workless certain way and whatever, and you know that's a good thing that you get along with him and that he's a good father. So why would you want to sabotage that or jeopardize that or destroy that? That wouldn't be a good idea. But then how you do that while maintaining the boundaries, given that he now is going to see those dynamics and things like, by the hook or the crook, me I go get back in, you know?
Right.
Yeah, you know, so you have to figure that out, how you're going to be firm and not cool and still be like, you know, no, but you did if you tail and thing and whatever, you know, whatever. And family get along with you and whatever, but you use that too much and kind of conflate that with how you deal with me and whatever. I mean, I like that, you know. Cut it out, I think, or something like that. You see what I say? All right, but give some consideration to that, all right?
All right, Raga. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man, and thanks for sharing. Okay, cool.
No problem. All right, good night.
You see what I'm telling all the while, say life is not black and white, you know. When you think about things, it's clear. But when life is in motion, it's lived in the gray areas, right? Remember the area between black and white, two color extremes that we use for an analogy very often. But the area between black and white is gray. Shades are gray. There's a gradient from one extreme to the other. And that's where life is lived, in the gray areas. And I find that people who live successful lives are the people who know how to manage the ambiguities and the uncertainties in the gray area, you know. And yeah, in this particular instance, it means establishing and sustaining boundaries, and that the boundaries have to be dynamic. They can't be static. So if you establish the boundary and life happens and things are changing and the person tweak the boundary and this and that, you may have to tweak the boundary too. You may have to firm up a boundary, or you can't lose the boundary. In this case, it's not enough to say the boundary there. It may be like, nah, I drive a look a line, don't cross a line. Oh, you keep on across the line. You know what? Never put one look a fence, yes, sir. You keep on a climb up on the fence. You know what? Never put up a wall. Yeah, climb the wall and I sit down up on the wall. You know what? Never put grass back up on top of the wall like what we're doing. And then from grass back up on top of the wall, him not going to sit down on the wall again because grass back like a juke him again. So I'm using metaphors here, but the idea is that boundaries are dynamic. Dynamic means in motion. Boundaries are not static, right? So you can establish boundary, but the boundary may have to firm up. You know? And the boundary can be too strong and thing. If you have a good person and the person pressure you or nothing and thing, you can't be too harsh with the boundary. You may have to loosen up a boundary, you know? And things, see? One of them thing there. All right, left and one come back mix up or any other mix up one have. Left and one come back mix up or any other mix up one have. All right, left and one come back mix up or any other mix up one have. All right, let's go. Oh, the person that never come up. So I notice that this I go on from yesterday, you know. I can't bring up the people, them man, in now. Wait, what? All right, I'm going to send up on a request them in our chat here, because I don't know what I'm going to say with TikTok. Hello? 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 All right, so somebody come up there now and a person that never did want come up and things, so an accident, so send up on a request. All right, Angela Benjamin said, from your left, there is no coming back. I don't know why I want to keep on. I said that's something there about you not take back nobody on the left, you know. Right, I don't know why I want to keep on. I said that. Big up yourself, Christina. I don't know why I want to keep on. I said them something about from on the left, somebody. I want to lie, man. You know, I said no found no particularly all on a woman or whatever. This no found no going with ex-jokings, you know. I'm telling you why, I know that. A lot of women, me know this, a lot of women, right? And left them ex, you know. Now go back to them ex, you know. But we all start talk to big up yourself, Roxy, all right. Then we all start talk to somebody who them like, you know, and who the relationship are building, you know. But all honestness, we just take them one night and then be like, them could have go sleep with the man who them like and not date now, you know. Them all know other people who them could have sleep with, you know. But there's just something like, I done did I sleep with my ex already, so. You know. Take a one piece off him and thing, but you know. But them not want the ex, you know. Them just, man, I look. I put it this way. You know how many ex out there believe, say, are them convinced the person who them left or the person who left them, are them convinced them to come give them some, and I know say other person that decide to come give them some, but just put themselves in the way for them go for them get some. I mean that one the things that them do it. No. You know much ex come on the talk it truth. Talk it truth. Familiar strangers, the Taurus Queen say it there. Talk it truth. Let me say this again. You know how much ex out there. Chris, big up yourself in a boo-boo. Blessings. You know how much ex out there believes are them convinced they them woman who then they would forget look at some from them and whatever. Poor them. You know, say the woman knows Anya and she just know how to put herself in her way for him make him move for see my pressure. And then she go on like she never want to do it, and thing. When she did don't want to do it, she just want to look at jokings, you know. Just want to look at works and thing, but she never want to go they go do it with no new man or no new boy or something like that. She just want to look from Mr. Man who she did there with, but she don't want to be back with him, you know. Just want him come take care of her plumbing little bit, man. Right? She just want him come with the Drano juice, you know, for unplug the sink, you know. Say, come, look at Drano in this man, and she just give him the sink. Take it. You know, shows that it's true. Yeah, don't it? Enough of that go on, man. See? Creme de la creme, Raga stop talk my business. Yeah. No, back in the day when that did I go on, me just play along, you know. I act like something I know, you know. But we used to read them play there, you know, like me and a woman broke up and thing. And you know, the little signal, you know. When all a woman a call, can you know woman who no indirect, you know, when I go out with them something. They will call back and be like, yeah. You see, one of the signal them, if they just bring up some random shit that them have no reason for bring that up, when I bring that in, I say, yeah, man, when I look at Joe Kings and thing, man. If them call and say, I'm being hypothetical. So me have an ex, and the ex out of the blue call and go say something like, I don't know, like, yo, you remember that thing then what you did do at the school or what thing? You remember one thing when you did do at the school, one presentation you didn't make on this and that and thing. Is who did hire you for do that and whatever? And I said, oh yeah, this lady, oh, this, okay, me did just one. Me did I try to remember her name, and I can't remember her name. And so right away my mind a race now, and I say, man, the fuck would she want to remember? She not remember her name. You know she horny, man, but she not come out with it and thing. And then you see if you answer now, and then you see if you have a look at check-in question after that, boom, you know what's the thing. And that's what she did. Just go and talk, man. She will come over at some point, I'll call you over at some point. I look at check-in. What I mean by I look at check-in thing, if she call and ask you something, and you're there, they're like, yeah, and no. And you see if right after that she says something like, so what you do? You know, if she go and say like, so what you doing now? What you do right now? You know, my man, me stay calm, you know, me like, no, I'm just there easy, you know. No, never, but, you know, she never know, but yes, honey, she wants some. Yeah, we go jump up in her belly. Yeah, I'm just there chilling, you know. Yeah, everything good. Play along, you know. Yeah, and when them look a style, you know. When you see with them something there, you see, and you go jump the gun, unless you have some, you know, you have some relationship like that, you know, you have some woman like that, you have some man like that, you be like, yo, you there with this one bag of corona and thing, and look at body you want, you can't just get look at body from me, you know, but you know, just sweet and done or whatever, and then, me never said that, but if you want to, just come home and you know them look weird, but outside of that, if you don't have that relationship there with that ex or whatever, because some ex there, so you know. But if you don't have that relationship with that ex there, and she come and go on with that indirect thing there, and then you jump the gun, you know, she would just say, no. Right? Because there's a facade, right? She feel good, but what she do, and she not look away, if she not look bad, it's like she look desperate, or you think so like, so whatever. So you have to just play along, you know, and play it out. So you have to be patient, you know, and make she feel she'll lead indirectly. And you just play along, man, and you get the look of jokings, you know, and think, you somebody ever left you and thing, and she called back, but I think I left my book over there, you know. But yes, my book when I did I read, you see it? No, I'm not see a book. I know I left my book over there, man. I'm not see the book. You can't look for it for me and bring it, come give me, I'm come for it or something. Me come for it. I say, well, I don't know it there, you know. If you want to come for it, come for it. All right. I can't come tonight, I'm gonna come tomorrow night, you know. Because women always have to prepare, right? Women one thing, they don't never prepare. The beard and shave and thing and then by she come the next day. This is the first thing me I know from she come for that book there. Me I look how she dress, you know. And the woman them who really skill pan or something, you know. Them know how to dress for not look desperate. If you're young and whatever, them are coming a tight up and print out. But when you reach certain age, them know how to not dress like, say, you know, desperate and whatever, but still sexy. Yeah, man, smell good. So you see me see you come over, and your beard, and you smell good, And obviously you're just fresh and whatever. And you're in a nice little sexy dress, like all of a summer thing, and you in a spaghetti strap dress with kind of hug on for your body a little bit or whatever. Worse if you in a them little dress and little skirt and whatever, but you know, wear dress and skirt all the while. They love jeans, but you come over in a dress and skirt. Or even if you come over in a jeans, it tight up and suck and pan and whatever. Worse if when you come in, you overplay the I am not interested in you. Right? That's a dead giveaway, right? So, you know, if she come in and she start overplay, I don't believe it's sex. I come over here from. I'm not interested in you. If she overplay that, so you know, if you open the door and she like, yeah, and walk past you and go, I left the book over so and so and so and so and so. And then I say, what you know? Yeah. And you don't know it. If you're a man, you know, you move to her, you know. When you move to her, she go on like she don't want to do it, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man, and you know, so I grab her and pan her neck and then she starts saying no. But you know, the no, I know the definitive no, you know. Right? Another, no, stop. It's not that no there. You know? You start get a little sound like, well, you don't leave me, no. It's not that much come over. Will you not leave me? Stop, no. Stop. That is not why I come over here. Jesus Christ, God, what is this man, your man? What is this man? What is that, whatever. Me not tap. Because I know what is what. Yeah, man, I can't believe it. Yeah, and someone have a style, you know. You know what nice? When I'm not going like when I protest, I still I wind up on that, you know. You know, hear me say if I stop, I can't stop, no. You not listen. Murder, hey. Them some of the sweet man, you see. Yeah, because we know what you say, what you be a laugh for the devil, because we don't know. Yeah, Christina, behave no man. Yeah, we don't know what I talk about. Why? Don't it run? Those, yeah. When you see me train myself for being tuned to them something, you know, so I know what I go on, you know. You see them, be a laugh for them at the pan, you know. You know what is what. Be able to speak up yourself, man. Yeah. Cookie man, me not ramping up. Yes, Cookie man. When you don't stop. You know, it's all when they stop, draw. Stop, no. You don't stop. Oh, God. And then the man good thing, sometimes they read up and them say, all right, do what you want to do. Take it. Go on to your girl, them. Yeah. Yeah, you see, you don't know, man. You don't know what's up. The one like, you don't know and do it and thing and whatever, don't. Brian, you say, see, I know I did come over here for. Anyway, come. Any mix up we have and thing. Left I want to come back mix up or any mix up one and or any other mix up. Left I want to come back mix up or any other mix up. Left I want to come back mix up or any other mix. Yeah, all it takes is when you stop them and ask, I want yeah, when you stop for strawberry, so you hit the nail upon the head. You're mixed up on your bird. People, life is fun, you know. If you make it fun and interesting and you know, somebody like me, I'm a bit of a geek and a nerd and whatever. But I would like to think that I'm geeky and nerdy in a playful, fun way. But that I enjoy, you know, me like read out them something and learn them things from woman and all them things and, you know, learn from my mistakes them and all them something, you know. Tall Ursa, yes, well, Tall Ursa, first of all, the book was left deliberately. Oh, you mean, enough of them something they go on, man. You understand? Enough of them thing they go on. And one of them book car, my little slippers, my slippers when I did buy, so and so and so and so. Cause you know when woman really not definitely interested in, I want to go back there or whatever. They don't even care about no book or whatever, you know. It was the next man who want them, and the man go call and say, you know, say you left your book over. That's okay, you can keep it, I'll buy another one. You know, so that woman don't want nothing to do with you. You understand? Don't worry, I'll buy another one. Easy thing, can get it tomorrow from Amazon. It's okay, that's fine. All right, that's it? Okay, bye. Not interested in you. See? Look, Bailey's here done, you know. Never work with a big glass today, you know. See? Never work with a big glass today. Morning.
Oh, I go on my ride and die.
Oh, I go on my right hand, my G. What's up, boo boo?
I'm there. Long time I missed the, I would polite, I missed the car work, I beat me.
I know, and you work hard, you know, woman. Lord Jesus. Yeah. Where I go down?
My ex them hate me, they call me name is Take It Back.
Take it back. What you do?
You never hear about my ex, I have one time. One time, I have this guy.
Mm-hmm.
Every time, when he come on to Christmas, he give me $1,000. So I go say to him, say, hey, this Christmas, I don't want $1,000, you know. Because $1,000 monkey money.
Mm-hmm.
I can't see him to give me no money. So I'm going to knock the gate and I say, want the Christmas money? Him now. He not say I want it. I go give him. I say, hey, just give me back my underpants. Then I buy you.
No. Take it back is not a good thing. Any take it back people, unless an engagement ring. You know, yeah. What you mean? You have to take back your underpants. I walk listening to that butterbean. How that different from man who take back drawers when buy for woman? You know, so if you take it back, mix up next week.
I'm bond them.
I'm bond them what? Just because you get $1,000 to you want more than $1,000 for your Christmas?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
And people, the person we talk to, a bad girl we chat to, you know, because then the man go say, nah, you know, but I be roll up in the house and go kick down all the door and all them sitting there, you know, and whatever. So when I say, then suppose the man say, no, you're not get back the underpants, what you going to
do? No, you know, him can't come give me down my yard.
Cause him face stay and ring, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of want me load up the thing.
Yeah. No, more I do that too, you know. Me, I'm one of them people that do that, you know, and just throw the whole of them in the yard and get sense. And me that throw them one. I left them at your gate.
You're lucky when them come with me say short a one.
So you remember how much you buy people?
Yeah.
That's wrong, man. That's wrong.
Me dear.
Yeah. What I mean, you know, so Jamaica, there was a thing for a while when man take back dress from woman and thing. I don't hear about it, but there was a time I get to, you know, when it was a thing for man take back dress from woman and then left them, you know.
It's true. Everything with them by them I take back.
Them I take back and thing, you know. You know, the coolest
so
one.
So you go on, my brother?
One of the coolest one, me say, I wish part down this name again, like if you go down South Camp Road on your right. What a community down this name. So you pass Armand Barracks and I go down South Camp. You pass Upper Camp and I go down South Park Camp Road on your right. And you have one school and one institution. The first right after you pass and you go down there. What down this name? Like what a community the name, you know? Almantown, I'm one of them town there. Down there, so, right? You know, I say one woman a born her man, seeing Butterbean. And it's like a man a pre the thing long time, you know. And I ask her about it, you know, she say, no man, I don't Vineyard Town that. Vineyard Town half a Mountain View. So the woman a bun him, you know, and then when the man confirm it now, you know, cause the bunner man, he in at the place there, you know. You know, so the man come there, hang with one name there, one screwdriver, and take off the front door off our place, but I mean.
Him a wicked.
Him did buy the door gear. And take off the front door. And think whatever. Man, I like what it do. And people say, I want him say, then me buy this or whatever, me buy gear or whatever. And then she in there, take man and whatever this and that. And you know, the man left for the front door. One come on and whatever. Breeze that killer in there that night there. I think night Joe that killer in there. I think whatever. I must say 4 days after before she get do it. Cause she have to put up one little sheet, like, you know, at the doorway and thing and whatever. Cause she never have no door. And then the bonner man couldn't buy no door gear.
Look, me I stand up for me. I can't take off this because you live out in here already.
Nah, foolishness that you attack. Foolishness that you attack. Even
You
though me not
sleep out it.
even though I not support to take it back them and whatever. And
You
then,
sleep out your door, allow it.
no, alright. Daughter Bean, why you always have, me call it pension argument, right? You always have these pension defense. What I mean by that, right? Women, you always
Yeah,
a
I'm a
thing say,
pension.
yeah, whatever this and that and whatever, even if me do something bad, when me do bad, can't count because you get certain things out of this where I am entitled to the pension from it. Pony pension type of thing, right? It's so I think, you know. You realize man not think so? In general, man not think so.
None of them think so.
Enough
None
man
of them
think so?
think so. Yes.
For real?
I
But
love
that-
drunkard about there.
No, me not talk about when gay, you know, like a man, you're not gonna hear a man say, hey, you know how much sex me give you and whatever, you owe me. You owe me body pension. You know?
I'm not tell them come take it.
No, but you know, so that's another thing. I get to me, I hear them something, and man, I'll go back to woman, and woman go back to man and say, I want back my fuck. I understand me see a woman do that, you know. That time the man have met that woman there, you know. And my girl was roll up in her that and said, you know how much good fuck me give and whatever. I want back my fuck right now, you know. I'm in a business with that girl, you know. And she want to get involved, she get involved to me. I want back my F right now, you know. A real thing, me I tell you, you know.
Yeah, a true man.
Bad girl something, you know. But you say man stay so. No, me not hear no man stay so. Man always talk about what them give you. The things them what them give you. For take you back. But me not hear no man say, you know much long conversation I have with you and whatever. You owe me. The woman said them something that you ever hear a man talk so yet?
Them are gonna look like food, so them not gonna say it.
You ever hear a man say anything about body pension? The term even sounds strange.
No, but them say no much. Look how much they me give you.
Man say them something that?
How way I say you have some crabbit man out there, Raga.
Oh, me never know that. Me never hear no man really talk, so you know, like for say you owe me something from the amount of dick when me give you. A woman, watch out, the woman, some woman I
What?
say, yeah, woman them I say, yeah, you have man who talk. So I didn't know that. A woman me I say, you know how much front you get from me and you owe me, you my pony pension, me deserve this and that and whatever. Watch out, see the woman them I say, yeah, man talks of it true.
Yeah, some man will talk, but so you know what take me give you, give him back me. How way I say, Raga?
For real.
You have some crabbit man out there, you know.
Yeah. Well, me never hear no man say so yet and whatever. So me I learned something today, you know. Christina said them man nowadays that they do and whatever, but like me, I don't even think like that, you know. So me would even, you know, find that weird, you know. But the whole pony
No for the
pension
man,
thing.
no for the man them want size up with the woman them for you say you want back your this, then want back then grind too.
Yeah. If you come at me with that, any woman come, but she want back anything or whatever. No, I want back my sort out to run it right now. Run it right now. Run it right now, right? Head tap and spread out.
That's why the girl they burn up with a candle. A candle.
She a wicked. That thing, see. Me too rank for them something that was. So me don't really too, really too.
So what go on my big friend a long time?
My day ain't no boo. My day ain't no boo. I do what I love, I do what I love and do what I enjoy, and I juggle with my TamFam as them see me, but I bean. You go your foundation, left me out no time.
My dear, long time.
You see it, my day, man. Oh, my look at charge there. So me no see her.
Oh, Sandra?
Yeah, man, I see her online do, She there on IG.
She good, man. She good, man. She not stop post for me how she rich.
I like. See it.
She rich, my love. She have deadlift, so she rich.
All right, bless her for me, man. Bless her for me, but
you don't know me charge you for life,
I say a word, man, and thing, man. I see her on IG all the while and thing, but it don't look like she do TikTok, though.
No, she not really do TikTok. I know our day we in New York, they will come party out the place.
Seeing. As usual, when she come up the whole young boy, them a draft her same way.
If you tell her cause she love to broke off her back,
Yeah, man, and she said dance when she step out, Yeah. Ever clean and proper too and dress good and whatever,
Boy, Raga,
take it to them.
Nah, lie still, You make we find some good friend.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Your program make we, you know what I mean?
Good union form, good people, good friendship form, man. Yeah, man, indeed.
True, man, like all my friend can dance Del.
Who, Del Marine? Who, Del Marine? Can't dance to save her life,
Can't dance to save her life.
No,
but
can't
I'm a
even
friend
one.
Del.
Yeah. But if you go by Del Marine dance, or sort out pop down, me not say so, because me know enough women who can dance good, and when body reach them can do a thing. You understand? But Del Marine, if you follow how she dance, you see how Del Marine, whatever, you see I sort out pop down. But me not say so, because I have met a great many women. You put them on the dance floor, vocalist can't do nothing. And when Dugu come down and murder she road, then wicked and bilious. Right? So me nah go say that. Me just say if you go by how she dance. So you can't teach her to dance. You never try yet and teach her to dance.
Me always see her dance until Del on her side for do, So she do her own thing.
Yeah, she always do her own thing. Anytime Del Marina dance and thing, it look like when Fowler walk on coal.
Me I tell you that one up in the air like she has sell something.
Well, anytime you see them two up in the air, so them are going to some white girl dance, And so anytime you see them woman, Caribbean people will keep our hands down and thing, if we come up as so. But anytime you see the two of them come up, anytime you see the woman go say, hello, some white people dancing.
Like she a carry a market basket.
Yeah. This is not to come like this, a Caribbean, go all in sin, man.
Big up yourself, Del, love you.
Yeah, she always clean though. She know if you dress and put her and that thing. But the last Ragabash she have one dress, stay good and everything and whatever, But it look like the way the dress set pan and whatever, couldn't dance at all, couldn't do nothing.
Can't manage it.
So me as a fox must see her and say, Del Marine, come over here, so come sit on here, so. So it's a fox a gangster, so me don't know if she probably thinks a fox, So Fox
I
must
grew
have
up
said,
in.
yeah, Fox must have said, no, man, I look you, man, but me know say boot a bun you, and you can't dance. So come sit down, come sit down, come sit down.
A mix up
I
and
never
blender
afraid.
time.
Yeah, see Fox in our chat, me and say Fox said, no, man, I look at you, but me know say, me see how the dress sit down for you, whatever, I think, and you can't dance, and whenever and the boot look like it a bun, you come sit down and rest your foot, man. Come rest your foot. Yeah, so Delmarine said, true, she said that.
I'm foxing a play now.
And Fox around, you know, the Fox a gangster with them something. Cause Fox pick up that today and said, nah, man, she look good enough, but you don't see how the dress kind of stiff on her and thing and the boot look like whatever. Cause when Delmarine there, Ragabash, you know, Delmarine there, you know them be. Hi.
Yeah, like a white lady. Queen of Sheba.
Yeah, but don't ask her to bend over, you know. She bend over, she drop on her face, this, you know, dead, she dead, this, man, you see. God, but Fox like read the play, and I say, cause, you know, I say, man, nobody stand up the two like, I know you're dead, you can't even move too tough or nothing, you know.
Anytime you see Del, take the dance from, say, hey, Del, nobody go shame you, you know.
Yeah, because she can't whine.
She can't do a thing.
For somebody from Constitution Hill who used to know for ride ag and them, something they sit down in a saddle upon ag when them a ride ag up there. So, and think for somebody like that and she can't
Well,
whine.
me not
And
know about that. You know, me not
what
know.
what you know about what? What?
Me never know Del a ride aggle.
No, it's a thing them do up a Constitution Hill. You know Constitution Hill, right?
You're about broad, you know.
No. You know Constitution Hill. No, man, it's a thing them do. It's a yearly, regular thing, but them have a big function when them do like the hog riding competition, and she did always. I mean, girl can ride hog, you see, man. Yes, man. And sit down in a saddle pan hog. But for somebody who, you know what I'm saying? You know the song I said, no ride again, na. You know, for be a good jockey and for sit down in a
Yeah, for
saddle
sit
and
down
them,
in a
see,
saddle,
and
yeah.
them. So for somebody who you over ride
Such a whole ag saddle.
yeah, man, bad like your Spanish, you know, man. What? You never see video when she ride ag, you know, she ride the ag them. You never see video.
Del, let me down.
Let her, what you mean with the dancing? She can't whine, though. Can't whine for save her life, though. If she for bust a hot wine for save her life or whatever, she just better just at a pearly gate and a
I
judgment day
know.
there.
Always take a dance floor and a scaddy.
Yeah, and you know, say when you touch a floor and you're whining and thing, a problem, you know. Man, I
And
fling
me tell
money
you,
off of you know, man, a problem, you know, because you can't whine, you know.
Mr. Gigi Winer.
You see it.
Right,
But
true.
we talk about Fox too, and what she can't whine either, you know.
No, Fox can't glare her body.
Fox can't do her, but Fox body can't do nothing nowadays. She can't whine, and Fox can't whine at all. Like, Del, we do a little something, a little wiggle. Fox can't even wiggle.
Fox will kind of like man. Raga, Blenda go make them beat me and kill me, you know.
Me I talk to my friend. Me no care nobody wants to me and my friend attack. Me and my friend attack. Who have problem with it, have problem with it. You see, them can't fall back and drop down and go about them business. But I look upon them. And me and Mooney attack. Me and Butterbean attack. Me and Angela Benjamin attack. Yeah. Our
You know, make them beat me, you know. For a month of time, them beat me when I TamFam did I run things as me come out. I start talking.
They want beat you, know. When the only time me support them a beat you, what you don't know is when you get the name Butterbean, you know. So that different, you know. So you're improving that area?
Me improve long time.
Okay. So you're cooking better now?
My skill turn up.
Okay. Just a check-in for you, that's all.
But you say allow not tell for me, you know, lies.
Well,
But I want to tell you, all when I attend Butterbean, they didn't have a little bit of oxtail. Nice to see. Raga, you know what I talk. Come see you a cook. Me see you say you cook. I mean,
Well,
you make
well,
all pancake and it flap.
no, me make pancake and it flap.
And it
What do you,
flap.
what do you do something where everybody I say, who does that, right? Me cook bully beef and it too salt, right? And then done me and beat me and me take my beating. I mean, come make them know. So me cook bully beef.
You buy all the wrong bean for cooking at the butter bean. Go ahead.
Yeah, but buy all the wrong bean.
Bean for
Well,
cooking at the bully beef.
no, me don't even know say are two different bean this so. Me don't even know say are two different bean, right? Right? But at least me own my thing, you know. Me own my thing, you know. Remember, you know, you come out and I show off and I show everybody your oxtail, you know. And nobody never ask if I bring it out. You come give a picture and sit there.
You thought that. You thought that. One time, no, I beat me over kill me too.
yeah. Remember, say you come out, my people, she come out with her butter bean, you know. And when she come out with her pot of butter and said, I'm going to cook butter bean, with a pot of butter bean, people are beer black water, we are seeing, you know. Beer black water. I will say 2 butter bean come up and push up the head out of the black water. 2 butter bean come up and push up the head. Like them a try catch back here because them a drown. And then push up the head so for catch back look here and whatever. And the rest of me don't know if any more butter bean in there, but them obviously they a drown down a bottom. Because we don't see them. A beer black water where you claim say we don't see no oxtail in it, you know. And we say what the oxtail like? They in the rug of them, in there, them under the water.
You know I used to have him start the food posting, you know.
Yeah.
No fuck me, no, I cook some cold food, you know. And I say, I cold food look like you want some more browning. So they tip me got tip browning, 90 browning, get where. Boom, boom.
And it go black though.
Me pussy out.
I need to find that time.
So we need this. You know, so we need to do that. We need to do
Me
that.
say, Raga, me only hear now I say, then all this look like fire coals.
And you know him terrible and disgusting, you know. Him say,
Yo.
when him say, oh, your stew beef look like fire coals.
My cow food look like
Your
fire
cow
coals.
food- but cow food not for black. Oh, cow food black.
Me say, browning, get where.
Well, on. Me and a cook. You know what me and a cook. How you come for put browning pan cow food?
So wait there, you know, you have cow foot, you have brownie cow foot.
No,
and you can't
nobody
curry
people.
it. Look,
Me know
man.
curry. All right, well, on people. You know what people that put browning pan cow food?
Yes, brown
Marsha,
foot, cow foot.
wait, Marsha Goodas say you can, but we can't go with Marsha Goodas because she not right. You make us see if any some sense people see. See the nope, yes, no, yes. Well, more yes than no. So yeah. The people and
Raga, my granny, me grow with, you know.
yeah. Well, more
So
yes
me know
than
the
no.
things them.
Oh, you know, so me know what you refer to, you know, because some cow foot them have a dark color there. Yeah. Me see some no there, but some have more yes than no. But some cow foot come out with a dark color there. Can I know that you me think about it because cow foot, you know, brown cow foot when I cook cow foot, no.
No, we just
No,
put
cow
on the
foot not brown.
pressure.
You just
See,
put
put
in, yeah.
the pressure and put the brown in the pan it.
Right. No, but when I say people cook it without browning and it still come with a kind of golden color like without even
Well,
curry.
I don't know about that.
They don't mean what that
Look,
you don't
man,
know that.
look, you is not a cook.
No.
So shut your behind. You is not a cook.
No, when I say some people not cook it cow foot and it come with a kind of brown, slightly greenish color like and thing. It just naturally come with a
I don't
color
know
there.
about no cow foot with a greenish color. A brown in.
Like me just like when I say no man. See Wingy Spice, I say, yes, Raga right. Right?
No, she was on you.
What? What do you mean, what's on me? Man, listen to me. If you're worse than me, you're terrible, right? No, nobody must worse than me because anybody worse than me with cooking, it means you know, no save because me, I am really bad, right?
Can't cook for save their life.
So Wingy Spice girl, she said she's a chef and she said, Raga, right. right. Okay. Talk up to me. Talk up to me.
You know me, I'm a serve save license.
No, but Aunt Taylor say you have to have little browning. I don't know about that.
Exactly.
Wait, the sexy tea say my boss don't put browning. She do it in the oven and it get brown. That's in the game. Then that may I tell you, man, cow food does come out with a little color, man. Naturally, when you cook it without browning. You know when my mother cook it, my mother put browning pan things and she never put browning pan cow food.
You don't know.
Maybe, well, me don't know if my mother put browning pan.
You never have time for your watch. You have time for your I lick it from Papa tree.
Oh, you mean slap it up here?
Raga, me not lie, we miss them good times that we used to have. Look, people, not get it twisted. Go out and enjoy ourselves and have fun.
Yes. No, man, I know what you mean, man. See, give thanks, man. Every day I see him, I create memories, see him, man. I want to tell you, so we love this and enjoy this, don't yeah, we may take a break, but we are forward, you understand? I go through look
Right,
ups and
true.
downs, but we're there, I see him, you don't. It goes
When I
some
did
man.
know that shit when me love.
You see it, then go some man. My friend, big up yourself, you know, just know some love and rate you, nah, stop, you know,
Me I
forever,
tell
you
you,
understand, alright?
You see me there, me pack all a barrel for send down to the people them in the country too, you know.
See, which parish you come from down there?
Me don't know the parish.
Oh, you don't know a parish? Oh, okay.
No.
But you just send something for help people down there, don't
Yeah.
Proper.
Don't know the parish, my brother.
See,
I'm
you
a
know, you know, like some
Me a Kingstonian.
yeah, but most Kingstonian them have a country. Sometimes you have to explain that to people. So when you're Jamaican,
country.
everybody have a little country. You don't have no country in Jamaica.
No.
You don't have an area where you have family.
I born and grow water was me in a country.
Yes, but when I say even people who born and grow in Kingston, them have relatives where connect with a certain parish in a country.
Well, me don't know, because me never go
anytime
now.
you hear a family say, no, we go country and so, most of the time, it's like a fit them country. Like, no, people them come from St. Ann, people them come from Portland, people them come from Hanover. You don't have one of them there.
No, we don't know that I want play country, me know a sentence. And the man used to jump up in my belly.
I man I used to jump up a theme
Yeah.
country and thing.
Yeah.
Alright, then cool.
But me don't know none. But anyway, I got big up yourself, because I know girl have to get up 4 o'clock. I'm on, I head for the bus.
Oh, see, then I say a word, man. Love and blessings, you know, alright?
Right, true, my friend. All right.
Protection,
Take
man.
me down in the camera, I don't have to take down myself.
I got you. All right, cool. One butter bean, you know, my charge of that, you know. Yeah, one butter bean. Yeah. You see it. That's how it go, man. Yeah, you know, most Jamaicans who live in a metropolitan area, what we call corporate area, like a city area, them have them country. Like our country is Mile Gully St. Mary, you know. And somebody at them country was this place in Portland. And thing, you know, because most people in Kingston can trace them roots back to some kind of so-called rural area, you know. Yeah, where your roots are from, right, Miss Favor? Yeah, indeed. That person they never come up. Okay, come up in the chat with the mix up there, man. Left and one come back mix up or any other mix up on her. You know, so if we do that and thing, if we do like post your food, you know, if you cook your food, you remember what Teddy Bear did do? And I'm sure we him food and whatever. But now, if we do that every day, and like somebody post a food, you know, where you cook and make we see where you cook, you know? You just turn on your video and make we see where you cook, all right? In fact, if anybody have no food want to cook right, you know, I want to know. I want to show it in idea, yeah? Make we see it. Make we see it. All right? And then people can learn and all these things and whatever, you know. People can learn for cook, you know. Munchie can learn for cook. Christina can learn for cook, you know, when people explain and thing, you know. And then Baffan woman there in the ANC, them can learn for cook. Cooking Manchester, me I go post me good Raga, what you mean by that? Did you mean food or you did I go say you're good and I don't know what you. No, big and serious. Anybody who cook them dinner and them have them dinner right, you know, post it in idea, I could see that. Vitamin Flex, yeah man, then my family area that man, Mount Angus, Chapel Spring, Jessica, She, Athlone, Derry, Empress Mila said, I'm learning to cook. I'm in a cooking class. Oh, Milo, that is so cute. Yeah, you learn to cook. Yeah, you learn to cook, Milo. Angle your business, yes. Angle your business and thing. No, that's the other thing, people. When you come to Thailand with me, a big thing about Thailand is to do cooking classes, you know. They're fun. I do one and I enjoyed it. And my food, it tastes good when I cook it and thing. You know, so I need to put up that video there. I need to put up that to see my peach. Moderator, see one next freak that come in and chat there. It name to see my peach. And you know what the peach is. Fling them a bush. Dash them way. Dash them. Dash them way. Yeah. Butterbean say, oh please. Yeah, and Tasha, big up. Blessings and things. No man, yeah, we're gonna do that something there, you know, like, cause that is fun, you know. It's fun. Okay, Vitamin Flex. Big up, man. Everything is everything. One Mount Angus. At a school that my mother did go in a Mount Angus primary. So primary, it was a primary, I think. But a Mount Angus she did go, you know. Yeah, Teddy Bear. Teddy Bear, where your food is? Show where your food where you cook today. Show where your food where you cook today. You eat pork raga? Yes. But not all pork. I eat jerk pork without apology. Can't nobody want to say. I like jerk pork. Right? I like jerk pork, yeah. Teddy Bear, me not see a request. Let me invite you then. Because since you're there, so let me invite you then. All right then. Because I never see a request. It look like people are send requests on them now. Come on. Yeah, me eat pork. What's something about, yes, Raga eat pork. Of course. Something what you know about me? What you know about me? Yeah. Teddy Bear, me send her the invite, you know. People look like Teddy Bear can cook, you know. No found probably I'll have a bad mind in car. No, I don't eat all pork. No, right? I eat pork, not porky. Okay? Pork, not porky. People don't know who love pork. You think Jamaican love pork? Asian people them love pork, you know. Mama Clark. Asian people love them some pork, you know, man. What happened to the knee, Raga? What knee? Yeah, man, Asian people love pork, man, and cook pork in all kind of way and whatever. You know, like over them have all these meals and them cook like stew so and so, but them fry an egg on top of it. And you get a fried egg on top of your stew, or your stew beef, or your man that's sitting on there that curry chicken, and then give a fried egg. It's this thing about fried egg with them, you know. You buy soup from Asians and they'll put a fried egg on top of the soup. The first time I saw it was when I was in Japan, but them do it in Thailand too, them do it in China too. Jamaican Teddy Bear, me don't know, but you suppose you're coming in already, so yeah, or boiled egg, yeah. At least them gone World Cup. Who get in a World Cup? Thailand? Or Japan? Why I don't know I want to go on in a Jamaican Teddy Bear. Me send it to you. I don't know if you are try send it up or whatever. Yeah, man. No, people no come in with no mix up them and thing. And Tamago Kake Go, I don't know what that mean, you know. Seeing? All right, left and one combat mix up or any other mix up one have. Left and one combat mix up or any other mix up. Any mix up involves somebody who left the relationship and then one come back in a relationship. Call and give it the drama. If somebody did hype and left you and thing and then a drawback for you and thing, you know, something where you experience along them lines. Or just tell the truth too. If you did in a position where you left somebody and thing, I did want to get back in a relationship with them, call and give it 100 right there. So see? Yeah. Oh. Tina Lee. Oh, I go down. Let me see what I'm going. I don't know what I'm going with that something, you know, but the people are coming here. I don't know how I'm going for your thing, Jamaica and Teddy Bear. I don't know how I'm going this. Mine, you don't know what you're doing. Greetings, hello.
Night Raga.
Good night. What's up?
How you flip this? But now I mix up, I'm just share my dinner.
All right. Lick the video now. Just touch the video. Touch the camera. The camera. Just touch the camera thing for you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, see?
Ain't no come on yet. You know, touch the camera yet, man. All right, well, let me see something. Let me see if me can. See it there? Yeah, man. Yo.
But I literally just
Yeah.
I just share.
But I just rice that. Yeah, I just rice that.
I literally just I just start share.
Okay. Look at yellow in our rice. How was that?
Curry.
So voila, you did I use the curry spoon and I stir the rice?
No, man, I dish out. I dish out Aussie one first.
No, but yellow in our rice already. Yellow in our... Yeah, all right then, talk.
I dish out Aussie one first.
Yeah?
So I dish out mine now.
So him get him curry goat already?
And a curry goat, a uncut.
A what?
Uncut chicken back.
What you mean uncut?
Uncut chicken back.
What uncut?
I just say name it have more meat than the regular chicken back.
Yeah, you see it. That man tell you why if we do them something, you just teach me something. I never hear that yet. And whatever.
Yeah.
So this okay, curry chicken back. All right. Okay. Go on share. Okay.
Wait there.
Uh-huh.
Have me good old pear.
Pear, nice piece of pear will go in there and thing.
With the side.
With the side,
yes,
all right. But let me see chicken.
Mine.
Go on the chicken, make us see chicken a little bit. Okay, all right. Yeah, that look good.
Yeah.
Good. So curry chicken, that look nice, see? So so the curry from what you did share for us, you know, at that depend the spoon, make it depend on the rice, right?
Yeah, come just a dish out mine.
You just a dish out your one and thing.
Yeah.
So you get the boss fee one first, right?
Yeah.
All right. You know, that is looking good. And piece of pear, very Jamaican right there. A little piece of pear, very nice.
Very nice.
Okay.
That's just mine for the tonight.
All right. Looking good. And thanks for sharing, man. That looks very nice. All right. That look like it's going to set you. You're going to sleep good tonight. All right.
All right.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. Yeah.
All right. Take my dog now.
Yeah, man. Cool, man. Go do that, man. Let's flip back this first. Yeah, and then come over here, so. And then thing cool. Nice. You see it? Uncut chicken back. Take time with me. I never hear that before, you know. I should say it have more meat on it. Is that like a thing? Like me. Is what the So what's the difference between uncut chicken back and some people have said them never hear that before. What? Oh, good. I'm glad so no phone never hear about it. Well, Nikki Living says she buy uncut of Florida. But me glad says me think of me alone never. Yeah, me think of one of them things that where everybody know and me don't know. So some enough of you I say you never hear it either. Okay. Is it hand cut or uncut? Because if somebody correct me there. Hand cut or uncut? Which one is it? See, a bunch of people I say them never hear it there. Oh God, me feel normal now. Uncut. Okay. You see, there's a confusion, you know. So some people I say a hand cut and some people I say a uncut. But most people I say a uncut, not hand cut. All right, so what is it? So, okay, Mooney said the next chicken back full of bone and it cut up your gum. Oh, maybe I know about that. So the uncut one, she said it have more meat, you know. And Tasha say, hey sis, we need to get that in Florida on our next trip. Yeah, TamFam get together next year, you know. We don't just think about that. We have a TamFam get together in Florida every year, for those of you who don't know, yeah. Again, we have a just a TamFam get together. Just TamFam, we get together and hang on for a weekend and thing. And we usually go on a Friday and come back a Sunday. We'll do that for 2 years straight. The next one, next year, we're going on a Friday, but we'll come back on Monday. So we know we hear more about that. And it's just TamFamers. It's just I get together and we play domino, we cook food, we swim in a pool and whatever. We just get one big mansion down in Orlando and thing. No, Florida we are work with, right? Yes, I know enough facts. It look like Florida is a permanent place or whatever. And thing, because like them Airbnb don't so them nice, you know. Curvy Queens, take a trip to St. Lucia to please. We see him. Yeah, Nikki Living, big up and things. See, oh, hold on, let me see something. Oh, it's a teddy bear, yeah. Uncut, me learn something. Teddy bear, wagwan.
Evening, Raga, evening, what you say?
You know, some day a family, my day I hold it as usual, you know, I give
And I like you. That you see that TikTok, you sent me the request, but when I try scroll up, click accept, it now make me scroll up. I don't know what I'm doing, but it now make me scroll all the way up and make accept the request. That's what I didn't get through before.
Oh, okay, me no know. They
Right,
probably they must have be your phone or something. Me no know.
Don't bother with that now, Raga. Don't bother with that. What you have, boss? You enjoy the trip, though?
Yes, man. Even though it was more work than fun, you know, because I did a set it and thing and whatever. But you know, Thailand nice, you know. Thailand nice. And when the woman then over there grab and palm me for me by them front and thing, me just run around them, you know.
Yeah, you have to be careful over there, so you know. You have to be careful over there, so baby. You know the thing set.
Yeah, man, and the lady boys, them and all these things and whatever, man. I don't know the normal over them, man.
Not normal over there.
Yeah, you have to know the road code over there. But they over there nice, though, man. Place pretty and the food, turn up, man, and the fruits, them and the coconut. And listen to me, no, man.
Yeah, man.
Thing is nice, you know. Give thanks.
All right, me do one little cooking this today.
What? Make us see what you cook today because we want to see. If it pop down, we're going to tell you. If it's still good, we're going to tell you.
You got to tell the truth, man. Me know it's man. I know if you do this, that's okay.
Could see what I go ahead and do.
I'm just sitting so small, you know. I want to this is in here.
Yeah, just bring in you're bringing the camera.
Never know, you know. I want to.
Yeah, man. I think yeah, man. You bring it in now, so I make it big now. All right, now we see your stove now.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, look here now.
All right.
We do look at rice and peas, gungo peas.
Oh, just like how Jamaicans love it. The Asians them wouldn't love it so, but we love it shelly. Where we say shelly. You know, the Asian them love it when it's sticky.
Me don't like it so, man. Me don't think that, you know, because I work with the Asian and the Filipino them, but I don't like it so.
In fact, one of the biggest, most popular meal where them have a Thailand or something named mango sticky rice.
sound nice to me now. Like I love mango.
Yeah, man. Mango, sticky rice. Them, you know, so them put mango and coconut in enough things when them cook over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. All
them
right, and
thing that-
pineapple too. All right, so I could see what I go on. That your rice and peas, shelly and nice. It look better than
Oxtail.
Christina one. Oh God.
Oxtail, broad
Butterbean,
bean
it's
in
the
there.
oxtail. Butterbean, look there. Look how we I see the oxtail. Look how we I see the beans, them butterbean. You see that the oxtail and I look like black water, no? Butterbean.
A gravy.
Yeah.
No water that them out here.
A gravy, that thick gravy.
I'm a roast one chicken.
Well, I shall beat you and I talk about your oxtail mash up. Man, receive. Go back to the oxtail.
Me not like it. It mash up, yes, me not like. Me cook
Oh,
it,
it mash up.
take long and cook down the way. Cause me not like to fight with my meat. You know what I said?
Oh,
yes, it mash
no,
up.
yeah, no, it mash out for true. It mash
Yeah.
out for true.
Yeah, me take
No,
that. Me take that.
No,
but it cook.
hold on. When I say it not cook, but man, a ground beef you have in there and a trick
No,
about
man, no
oxtail,
matter with
but
that backside, man. No matter with that. Yeah, me I
listen
show
to
you now. say
mine a
oxtail,
ground.
go
No,
on here.
sir. That look like shredded beef and thing and you come at it. So what the oxtail bone them the even if you rub up.
Rockstone. All right. So
what
what
the
is that oxtail bone right there, so?
That a little bone there. Oxtail you have some big oxtail bone there. Then, no, sir. Some generalship are going here, sir.
No, man, no generalship not going here, sir.
No, go back to the oxtail. Go back to the oxtail because that look like shredded beef. You try trick about
No, Bridget,
oxtail.
let me tell you something. All right. Look here.
That look like ground beef with butter bean.
I know ground beef, Bridget. What I'm telling you.
Vitamin flex and the oxtail not in that.
The
Right?
oxtail bone right there, so look there.
Right? Tavia say one bone, she say.
That's what the go outside.
Tavia say one bone, she say.
All right.
Yeah.
Want to know where yourself?
All right, make we see chicken now. Go down, no, go close up on the chicken. Go close up on the chicken. Wait. Well on then. No, well on then.
Oh God, yeah.
No, well on then. So how chicken only like 1 foot? No 1 foot of chicken now.
No, man, I 2 foot the chicken have. See one leg over here.
No,
Raga,
well, show me.
You're a joker, you know.
No, man, show me.
Right.
No, but that look like say when it's seasoned, but it not bake yet.
It bake long time. We put it in the oven for. Yo, Bridget, one
Well,
foot.
all right. So that's a 1 foot. Where other foot there?
See,
so
one
one
foot
foot
there,
there.
one next foot over here, so man.
No, I said which one the second part where you gonna foot no there. What happened to that foot there?
The foot underneath here, so see there. Me and clean then I'm never see the fucking foot.
Where foot there? Tell me.
Hey, right, that's a little bit, boy, you did it.
Well, me not see foot, me not see second foot, me not lie, me not trouble you nothing. But the second foot not there.
Raga, you're a joker, you know. See this second foot up here, so see me. All right, look there. See that peel off now of our chicken, you know.
Teddy bear and say I want go on. Me not disrespect disabled people or not now. I want disabled chicken you get, you know. I want disabled chicken you get, man. I want chicken with disability, you know.
Yo, Bridget,
Is
you're
a
you know?
one, no, it's a 1 foot chicken and give and 1 foot short and whatever, right? No feel no way, you know. When a chicken there walk, you know. See how the chicken walk, yeah?
Why you walk?
See a chicken walk there. I saw a chicken walk. Chicken walk.
I would do this, you know.
That's why chicken walk.
Raga, you're too bad, but the chicken have 2 legs. You see how the people them are saying chicken have 2 legs and you talk about my chicken disabled.
What you say the people them say them have? Wait, you're too bad. The chicken have 2. Caroline
All
said
right,
that.
see they know.
I look out for you. Everybody see a 1 leg, we see a 1 good leg, we see. And then the other leg.
Me not deal with disabled chicken.
You not deal with it? No, man. Yeah. But no, my food it look like your belly. But that's enough for 1 day.
No, man, this is going to last for tonight and tomorrow.
Tonight and tomorrow. All right. Now say a word, man. Big up yourself, man, and things. See it. But it look like you cook regularly too.
Yeah, man, I have to eat, man. I'm in the outside business, you know.
You're in the outside, man. Okay, so you love to
cook
cook.
my food and I don't have me 1 liver, I cook me 1 and 2, you know, food and, you know, have it for last for 2 and 3 days, you know.
See it there. It goes so well for the record, you know. Me whether you a bus liberty pan or whatever, you can cook way better than me, you know. So give that.
Don't worry yourself, Ragashanti.
All right, my brother, big up yourself. Here's
Big up yourself, man. All right.
yeah, man, cool,
Always.
man. Balance,
Protection.
man. Yeah, man, cool.
All right.
See it there? As bad as things is, you know, teddy bear food look way better than anything me would have cook or anything the ANC them would have cook, including mama and thing and whatever. Big up yourself, teddy bear. At least you lead some people out there, what them hear about, and what them know about. You understand? And whatever. Cause Christina food, them never even come close to looking like that. Not to mention Nakita. Naki beef food, them and thing. Munchie worse. Right? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, greetings. What going?
Me there.
Seeing? What's up?
Me never do them something yet, you know, how you turn on the camera.
Okay, you just press where you there and you will see you see it literally is a camera and you just touch that, you know?
So why me I touch it and it now come up?
Yeah, and your camera shaded out here. Let me see something.
It's saying you'll connect using audio only. I don't know why.
I don't know why it do that for you. Let me see if I follow you, if that would change. I just follow you. Let me see if that changed now. Let me see. Oh, you know, change. Oh, I think I know your preferences, you know. Somehow, you know where it name there, you know.
So what should I do?
Hold on there. I don't know what to say, you know, because yeah,
You've never had this problem with anyone before?
Yeah, I've never had this before. Yeah, you know, so I don't know. No, I've never had this before, so I'm not sure. Let me see if these people who know. Angie might not need. I mean, I think of that about 1,000 followers. No, I know that. I bring up people who don't have 1,000 followers. Some people I say look like you need more. No, man, I think she just need to give her camera permission. Because I know I had to give my camera open it up, you know. But I don't think you even know how to do that. You know, if you go in our settings and do that.
Let me try.
If you go in at the little bearing something there and thing or whatever. Nah, man, that's something in our settings, man. I'm almost sure of something in our settings. Because I see a camera grayed out.
Okay.
You know? That's usually a sign that it's not activated, you know?
Okay.
So, you know. You know, my beat I talk about is a Nokia 3300. Yeah.
On a brighty. You can be a big foreign and I use Nokia 33. You know what? That's why I never want to come on because I know say they will style me up, you know.
No, man, but a regular thing that's how we have fun over here. So
I know, they look at it every evening, man.
Right.
But me try one next. Me I got see when we can sort it out and
yeah, because we want to see what you're cooking, you know. Okay, but we want to see what I go on. All right,
no
blessings,
problem.
man. Cool. This is someone who say followers and thing. Me not gonna argue with you, you know, because you know more about this thing than me. But I know that for me it was TikTok. It was I had to authorize my camera, you know. But TikTok, people, for those of you who don't know, TikTok, unlike the other social media platforms, they have this annoying thing. Everything you have to do some things for opening it, for activate it. You know, and it's all aimed at getting you engaged and whatever. But enough things where you do on other social media platform just normal for TikTok. Before you can do that, you have to get this, you have to do this, you have to get that, you have to do this, and everything over here is tier. T-I-E-R, tier, right? It's annoying. When I say everything, you know, in every area, and it have all these stuff where them bring up to and whatever, you know, TikTok is just, it's a universe of confusion in so many respects, honestly. You know? If she doesn't have high activity on TikTok, she can't turn her camera on. Okay. Well, Angie said, you know, so I don't know, I must say something like so. And which is annoying. That's just silly, you know. You have something to say somebody to follow you. Right? And then you say certain things can't open up if you not follow back the person. So once two people are follow each other, why you have all these other things where them have to do now before them can do so and so after them? You know, it's, man, I can't manage that with TikTok. Kind of thing. Hey, so one day, you know, I go cook food one day, you know. If you poil, me in a business. Cookie Man stress, we don't want to hear anything from him because Cookie Man just go on like say she this and that or whatever. And you know, say something like the spirit I tell me say she ain't no big cook. Right? Cause you have woman, you know, who them sort out, turn up, you know, but then can't cook. Yeah. You know them buff and good as they. Yeah, them buff and good as they. Nicky Boo, we would like to stay alive, Raga. But you know, say you're bright and rank and out of order. You're bright and rank and out of order. Me a big cook and whatever, you know, but you know why you going like you want to come style me, you know, but stay alive and whatever. Okay. Right, if me and you juggler, I'm cook for you, you will like it, man. Right? Right? Yeah. The man, them can't get it all. Yeah, boy. Watch out. I want to Antasha. Roxy say, I love cooking. Oh, please. And I bet you say she can't cook good. But she love cooking and thing and whatever. People, somebody ever cook a meal for you and feel excited about it and cook meal for you and whatever, and it don't taste good and you don't know how to tell them? And you feel good, you know, you're like, oh God, them go all out for pleasing and whatever, but the food don't taste good. And you don't know how to tell them. When that ever happen to you? You know, you go somewhere, whatever, and them cook for you and them excited about how them cook for you and the food not taste good and you're like, you know, your mind, you're like, I don't know if you tell them this, you know. And thinking about the food and it tastes good at all, you know. And then when you end up have to eat it in front of them, you have to take a little piece and eat it in a slow motion and push it over in your mouth corner. Yeah, you know, you end up do that thing, they're like, yes, man. You know, you have to do that look at edge something when you swallow food, you know, like, you know, you always end up go. Yeah, food not taste good, you know. God, that all this may bring in, but it not come in. And the TikTok are going. Cheryl Bless say, what? When the food not taste good, they say, oh God, this is too much. Can you take out some? No, man. My belly always full, you know. I just eat before I come here, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. My belly full, man. I just eat before I come here, you know. I have one card I use here now too, you know. Yeah, man. You're telling say you have diabetes. So can't eat too much thing, you know, because it's going to turn, you know. Sugar, and then it's going to affect your insulin, and then you tell them something like, you know, I eat them food, don't. Oh, God. Yeah. Yeah, you know. Jesus, I want to say no, man. Boss, yeah, man. You know, say 9 cook, you know, if you see 9 cook, you know. 9, you can't cook?
You really have my question there. Let me cook and get right now. Let me cook and get right now. Look at what thing. Look at what thing.
Layata.
Your finger.
What,
I guarantee you. I guarantee you.
You can't cook good for 290?
Of course. I think I mean spell a bit say get a bit I can cook.
Oh, well, the girl, let me do that talk to this, you know. I know Sprague sing that song there, yeah?
Merciless.
No.
Me look for your song. You need my school singing song.
Alexis.
Sorry.
Alexis, here. Yeah, girl, you better can cook. Think you there for your pretty looks.
Yeah. Live a restaurant and love it back book.
Cook.
Hey, recipe book. And in the kitchen body and then down look big send them and body and na be nancy. Pull up.
The lighter! Die. No, man, but you know what the tune do, man.
Yeah,
You
man.
know what the tune do, 90. 90, you know,
I got if I'm man, I issue to water in them community.
Oh, for real?
Yes, man.
Yeah, I like.
Morning. God
See?
no.
Wait there. Let me see this thing. Okay, hold on there. Man, somebody. Okay, you're good. Hey, so for morning, yeah, what?
I issue to water.
I issue out water. You buy water for people and I issue out?
No, man. Water truck come here. I deliver water. On the
Very good.
side.
You're such a community-oriented person. Anyway, do me a look a favor. Your fan are blowing on your phone, yeah? So just kind of move it from the fan, yeah? Look. Mosquito bite you? Yeah, move away fan. All right, it gone now, yeah.
Yes. So,
Yeah.
me go to the woman this morning and I say, hello. And I say, what woman I say, me no country, me no give one. He say, oh, woman, woman go to woman.
Right.
No, woman go to woman, boy say, I lie me I tell.
With what?
Boy say, me no pay for no carry juice, for no pitney.
No, yeah, Sean, when Sean did bring that up yesterday, I thought, no.
Yes.
Okay. So who said I like, you know, so I posted a video about with you yesterday, it almost reached about 3,000 likes, no, you know.
No, it a reach it. It a reach it. I want eagle chicken, no.
Eh? One eagle chicken, 190, no.
Yeah.
But most man, I just look on it, it got almost 3,000, you know, views.
I mean a man.
Yo, what you say, 90? You're a celebrity, though.
I'm if you take.
Ice! Yeah, man, no, man, that take it yesterday, 90, that take it yesterday. But I have to post that to them, man. Anybody who want to know, it's on my wall on TikTok, yeah. It's on my wall on TikTok. It's on my IG too. Remember, say me on IG, Ragashanti on IG. All right, no, man, I have to post that, man. That shit was funny as hell, man. That just had me going. Anytime you hear me laugh, I come out without my vulgar loud laughing, you know what I mean? Say, you know, the mix-up connect or something make me laugh and really find something funny, you know? I saw it go, man. See, so way up. So what on, you know? Tell me something. If you cook, let me see, give you something easy. If you cook stew beef, or you cook stew beef, start from the seasoning.
Stew beef.
Yeah.
All right. May I be honest here, Ara. May I be honest here. Me know I cook my stew beef before. All
right, stop right there, sir. I don't want you to tap on something where you say you're not cook, all right? You say you're a big cook, like, where you know, you say anyhow you cook and whatever, I have a lick at my 10 finger then.
I'm cook stew beef now, you see no?
No, I don't want you to talk about something where you not cook. Talk about something where you cook. Stew chicken. Well, no, stew chicken. Or you cook stew chicken.
Stew chicken?
Yeah.
All right. I'll get me scallion.
Yeah.
Onion.
Yeah.
Garlic.
Yeah.
Me paprika, me pimento season.
Well, your
Pimento
paprika?
season. No, pimento.
Oh, pimento, right?
Pimento season. I'm
Yeah.
all purpose. I'm a chicken season. I'm a pepper. I'm a garlic.
What kind
I'm
of
chicken
pepper?
season.
What kind of pepper? Scotchy?
No, that's a pepper go up on tree.
Yeah, Scotch bonnet, Scotchy. Yeah, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm little sprinkle liquor salt and liquor salt.
Liquor salt. Yeah, one of them put sugar in your stew chicken too?
No
Oh,
sugar, no
okay.
sugar.
Oh, there, don't
So,
follow. You know, so the
I mean-
ANC woman and then cook with sugar in a stew chicken.
So my season. Needy up here. Like instead of need dumpling, you needy up.
You need of
Make
what?
it seasoning. It's chicken.
But hold on. So before you do that, what you do with the chicken when you just get your chicken? When you do it?
Alright, make sure make sure cut it and clean up it, get it clean it properly. Take out skin off it and to cut it the skin. That's
Okay.
right.
Yeah. And then what you do with it after
and
that?
then wash it off.
Okay.
Wash off with water.
Yeah.
With vinegar.
Vinegar.
And wash off it. And lime as well and wash off it.
You see it. Look at that.
And to wash off, let me give me season I mentioned to you.
Yes.
And needy.
So you're needing the seasoning, all of that seasoning that you need it
Yes.
up in night. Okay.
And then me put it one side. Put one side for like 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Make go and soak.
Yeah.
And then make sure wash up my pot. Wash up the pot. And fry my chicken.
Yeah.
I fry my chicken.
You gotta fry it for brown it.
Yeah, fry it.
No, hold on. In Jamaica, remember, if you go fry chicken, that different from if you go fry it for brown it. So when you say you go fry the chicken, what you mean? You go brown it?
Me like brown chicken. Me like brownie. But I tell me I do it.
No. What I mean is, some people
understand. Give color.
give color. So is that what you're saying? That may I ask you for that? You say, you go fry it.
Me fry. No fry no. Me fry.
A stew chicken you cook, right?
Yes, me fry.
And you go fry it up, but you fry it up for brown, right?
And then fry it now.
Yeah.
Then when we done fry it, I throw little oil in that pot. I'm throwing the pot and throw water on top of it.
Oh, okay. But hold on. Okay, go on.
Little water on top of it.
On top of what? The oil? On top of the oil?
Oh, pan the chicken.
Yeah,
on top of
but
the chicken.
I think you miss out part, you know.
Let me say anything.
You're throwing everything with the seasoning with upon it?
No. I put in it, get a chicken. When we done fry, I put look.
So what I say you need to tell me if you take off the seasoning off it before you put it in a pot. You take off the seasoning?
No, remember say me need everything in a chicken, you know.
Okay.
Me shake it off.
You shake off what?
It's seasoning after the chicken.
Then that may I ask you if you do that. Me just want to know if you do that. You know?
Okay.
Yeah, all right, go on talk.
And then me fry my meat.
Yeah.
Me fry. Me not fry too crispy, do you know?
Yeah, enough of too crispy. Okay.
No. not
Either
too
crispy or crispy. Yeah, okay, all right. Enough of two. All right, exactly.
When that finish, I got wash out the pot.
Yeah.
And show lick bit of oil in the pot.
Back in there, yeah.
Yeah. And then should put the chicken in the pot and should water on top of it.
Yeah. Don't do like Raga and go put too much water because.
And then it's the seasoning or me need or me seasoning again the chicken into. I should water in it and stir it.
Stir up that seasoning then and look at water.
And show in that pot, and show in a frying pot. Remember say a frying pot no. For steam it and turn on the fire.
And turn on the fire. But when I say you put in the seasoning right after you put in the chicken for cook it down?
I put in the chicken first.
Right, but me say after you put in the chicken, you put in the season after it.
Yes.
You know, wait until the chicken cook for some time first, and when it almost you know do it so.
Me say no, me fry already, you know. So me make sure me not use enough water.
Okay,
When me
well,
see
it sounds to me like you cook it the way you cookie man stress cook it. You know, when you go cook it down, you just put the fried chicken with the seasoning one time in a pot. That's how cookie man stress. That's how she cook for her stew chicken.
And so when me look at it now, I see like it dry down now. Me put little ketchup in it and stir it.
Oh, ketchup. What you put ketchup in it for?
Ketchup. We want to get thick. We can get little thickish.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Sounds good. Just not too much ketchup then, right? Just a little thing.
No,
Kind of.
when I put too much ketchup in it, that too sweet like sugar and water.
Right, because enough people don't know say ketchup is heavy with sugar, particularly the American version, Enough people don't know, Enough people don't know.
And guess what now? You say if you cook rice and peas, I have local coconut juice left back. You can use the coconut juice and show again, pour it. Not sure, pour it.
In the stew chicken, though.
No, alright, look on. Remember, if you have look coconut juice, you not use a plain water, you use the coconut juice.
When you say juice, you mean the coconut milk, right?
Alright, a coconut milk then.
Yeah, okay.
And pour it on the chicken.
Yeah.
And when you do that, it'll give flavor.
Okay.
Yes, because coconut give flavor, especially the milk or the powder.
You see it, and that's why I'm glad you say it, Marcia good as I said, she never cooked, so yet I know it could have cooked, so yet. But of course, because she can't even cook, so you can cook better than Marcia good as, so.
And when you do that now, it tastes the gravy.
Yeah.
The gravy too fresh or it too delicious or spicy.
When you say it taste it, if it too fresh or if it too delicious?
Or too spicy.
Yeah, but when it's too delicious, how that taste?
When delicious means that it's up there. Means that again, anybody come over, say boy, in a little pot. You rather go with the pot. You not get none.
All right. Well, no, I'm glad you said that because, you have enough girl cook and them gravy not delicious, You don't even want to taste them the gravy because delicious. You see what I'm saying? So
and guess what?
Big up the woman them cook with some delicious gravy,
And guess what? When I wash meat, I've used vinegar and lime. If I can't get sibble orange.
Yes,
and lime,
me know about swivel orange. Yeah, Miss Cherry use swivel orange.
Sibble orange and lime. You mix the two of them together.
Yeah.
Yes. Some use bleach. Some use bleach.
One line. What you just say?
Some people use bleach.
Use bleach to do what?
For cut the rawness.
Bleach off of what?
For wash off the meat. Some use bleach and wash off the meat. But in that way.
All right, you're about to teach me something now. No, I forgot one. Me just ask the chat something here because I just need to know. Chat, who know if anybody I use bleach to cut off rawness off of meat when them go cook it? Let me see if anybody say. No, never heard of that. No, son, no. Jesus got 90, not even one yes me I get because I'm frightened. No, when somebody say yes.
Yeah.
I see one person say yes. One person say yes. Two. What you mean bleach? That don't even sound healthy. That don't even sound wise.
Alright, again, because you see bleach now. Some use a bleach if you cut off rawness. You see it? One more say yes again. You see it? And let me tell you. Some use bleach.
Are you kidding me? Nine, are you aware that even a little bit of bleach is still just way too toxic for the human body?
All right, Raga, what you don't know, when you use bleach and wash off the meat,
Yeah.
you see, you don't use water like one water. You use constant water and wash off it. You want to wash, make sure you bleach what you bleach, again bleach, wash off the meat. You cannot use it, wash it with bleach one time and use it. No, you wash it off. Just like you wash it hand with foul, you have to make sure you wash it hand properly in a soddy.
Is that your way of saying that is a little bit of bleach and it diluted out, or that you say?
No, when you use bleach and wash off meat, you
Yeah.
have to constantly, you have to wash meat about 4, 5, 6 times. Because some bleach are very strong and some are very weak.
Well on, L.A. Lewis that Allah. And the Maroon Emperor that L.A. Lewis, Maroon Emperor, you that in our chat. Now man, L.A. you have to come up in our chat. You have to come up in our chat, Maroon Emperor. Hold on, let me see if L.A. Lewis. I think me follow L.A. Lewis what day, you know. Hold on, let me see something here. Watch out, L.A. follow me up. I think so me follow him and thing, you know. No, L.A. come up in our chat. So finish start the 90. Finish start the 90.
Yes.
So
So
that bleed something there. 90, that bleed something there. Show me for a loop though, you know.
But
somebody has said, why you not just use lemon? Why you gonna bleach? Why you not just use lemon?
No, I'm saying it's not me. I'm not saying me. People use an oil. Especially why they use bleach?
Yeah.
Like when they don't have no vinegar, they use the bleach.
No, that not sound too, you know. That not sound
but
too,
right
yeah.
Use vinegar.
Right, yeah, man, vinegar and lemon. Use vinegar and lemon, man.
Vinegar and lemon.
Use, you know?
Yes. So,
yeah.
and do that.
But me see several people say them know about people who use bleach. Some who are talk about a liar and thing. There are several people who say, yeah, them know people who use bleach for true and so forth and things. So apparently they have people out there who do it. Listen to me. Nobody who me I go anywhere where me I go eat any food or no cook and whatever. If you use bleach, tell me. Okay, because I'm not eating that food.
And so when you do that now, again, when you shoot chicken,
yeah,
always put again we call it that the time in it. The time and give you flavor.
The time.
It smell the time.
When you put you fry the time too?
No, you put the time when I steam it.
When you steam it, but you don't fry the time.
No, I can't fry time. I'm mad. Fry can't fry.
All right, do me a favor, right? Just talk to the ANC ladies. Them are listen right now. Just say ANC ladies and just tell them not to fry the time. Talk to them for me, please.
ANC ladies. When you fry chicken, you see?
When you cook chicken, yeah.
When you cook chicken, you put the again we call it the garlic in the pot.
Yeah.
And the pepper in the make it burn.
Right.
Let it burn by usher.
Let it burn by what?
Let it burn by usher.
By usher. All right.
Yes.
By usher, what that no?
No, it's a song. Let it burn.
Oh, let it burn. Usher.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Big tune, let it burn. So, but just tell them, say them not for fry the time, cause them love fry time. But tell them, no. Say ANC ladies, talk to them and tell them, cause them love fry time. Tell them not for fry the time. Tell
Hello,
them
ladies.
ANC ladies, talk to them.
Hello, ANC ladies. Please listen to Nanny. I'm asking you kindly, please don't fry the time because time cannot fry. It is very, it is visually. It does steam. It does when you put it in, make it give flavor.
Right.
Just like when you get married, and the pastor say, please kiss the bride. and you will die for kiss your husband, and your husband die for kiss your wife.
Oh, we reach this. So.
No,
we reach this in 90. Oh, we reach over this.
no,
So.
you have to give flavor. Flavor.
Okay. All right then. Okay, cool. All right, but you talk to them, each one help one. That is what we're here to do. And you just gave them some advice, so that is good. And I hope they listen.
But so when you cook rice and peas now, and make sure, say, ladies, and make sure ensure say pressure cooker in order.
Yeah.
Nothing figure explode. Because so like a pressure cooker, you make sure say it lock properly.
You think you really need pressure cooker for rice and peas? You not really
No,
need it.
not rice and peas. The peas. The pressure the peas.
For pressure, okay.
Yeah. When I pressure the peas now, you put little salt in the pressure in the pot and a garlic. Because garlic tenderize the peas. All
right. Well, obviously you have a lot of details there and thing, but we just want big respect to you for your tell about the chicken, because of that we did want to focus on and things. So next time we can expand it and thing. But you're obviously knowledgeable about these things, 90. So we just want to say big respect to you. From somebody who is not a good cook, I want to say big respect to you, because it sounds like you can angle your business and thing. It sounds like you can't even cook better than Dog Bite. And Dog Bite
Dog Bite. Dog Bite. No one dog bite me. If Dog Bite me, no gonna want me.
No, I saw him stay, man. A Dog Bite, that a film style, that and thing and whatever. And I hope it sounds like you have some advice there for, Papa Anthony?
No.
All right, so I'm going to make sure so Anthony listen to show you. It sounds like, Anthony's a chef, Anthony's an internationally acclaimed chef. But it sounds like he could learn a thing or two from you. You don't think so?
You can learn from me because I have taste,
Yeah.
If me eat a meal and you don't really move my charisma, so you can't cook. My IP have to move.
You have to move, you what?
Because why? Me no want my lip. Me want my tongue.
When you say your IP have to move, what you mean? What?
My IP have to move and my charisma have to up there.
Yeah. If somebody cook for you, it must move your charisma, don't?
Yes, man.
And your IP, what you mean your IP?
IP meaning. IP, when I eat it. I have to find a blame in it. And it
No,
tastes.
but I think you're saying something there. Let me see if somebody translate it yet. I don't know about the IP part, that part they beat me, I'm not quite sure where you say.
IP me, my own standard.
Yeah.
When I cook give me, because someone to read a second run, you can't cook.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I was wondering in a tropical nurse. Is it? Did you want to say your IQ?
IQ, yes, IQ. Sorry.
Okay.
Thank you for correction.
I suspected as much, but I wasn't quite sure. But you're saying that when anybody cook for you and thing like, when I look at idiot food, it must just stimulate your IQ and stimulate your charisma.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah, well
because
said.
Well. Want to refill. Because if you eat it, you want to refill.
You want, yeah. Good food for make you want more after and come back. Though you have to have the must come back something done.
Where's I'm gonna? Me can't talk here so.
No man, say the song, man. Sing a song.
Good nana, make it have to come back.
Yeah, but sing a song, sing it. It's okay. Sing a song.
Then say it just chip in, but in a rest on my brain right now.
Yeah, the song now rest on your brain right now. And it need for rest on your brain for you able to sing it. All right, then big up yourself in a 90. Always a pleasure to talk to you. You ever share some gems and thing, Big up yourself. All right, Papa?
One thing more in a cooking country with you, as who can win.
You want in a cooking competition with me?
Yes, man.
Then a dead, you go dead now, innit?
6. Me there. Me race.
Nine, you can't in a cooking clash with me, man. You can't. Nine, me and a big
Me
cooking
alone.
to make you beat me in a nine. Me I tell you, God, you, but I do my homework and study the thing and mash you up in a nine. And mash you up and done you, you know. You know, say you're
Done.
brave for come and challenge Ragashanti in a cooking clash. You know, so I need for make this thing happen and flop your career, nine. You're out of order. You know?
I go live and show you how man cook. Not when a man cook, not even dog. No, when the dog eat a board, he look on you again and say, next.
And Mixup and Blenda time.
Alright, we're gonna make that clash happen. Alright, here, nine, we're gonna make it happen.
Alright,
Yeah?
big up myself.
Big up yourself, man. Cool,
Alright,
cool,
yeah.
cool. Well, people, 90 put on the gauntlet, you know. 90 put on the gauntlet. We have to make that clash that happen. That clash that have to happen, right? That clash that have to happen. 90 put on the gauntlet. That clash that have to happen. Yeah. I see where I go on. 90 send on the gauntlet right there, so, you know. Hello. 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 We not hear nobody right, just you know, so yeah, one now. We not too tired, you know. Jugglings, you know. We ain't a gazing thing around here, you understand? Movement, we say, you know. Yeah. I juggle and I rise and I go places, okay?
Why?
Oi. Are we at?
I am in general.
I want to go on.
You know, I plan for the thing in the day, because you know, some of them wait for the thing, brother.
I what? See?
I watch another fast car and I do.
Yeah.
We just do it the way every 2 more special thing.
Yeah.
And 9 years, give me a advice a while about the cooking.
Yeah, so what you say?
All right. In a real life, about 95, me know some listen, like, God, me not listen, you know.
Yeah.
But here we know, him can cook enough for advice, but guess what? He make some mistake for the cooking, dog.
Like what? Like what kind of mistake?
Me I'll show you for the cooking now.
Yeah.
First of all, time I cook him rice and peas. Me no aim that no coconut milk, no greater no coconut better. Rice and peas. And you know, Raga,
you know, hold on, fast car. In fairness to him, you know, remember, so me never make him talk out the rest of the rice and peas.
No, but him always emphasize and I say
no, but him
can
did just start talk about it, and me never make him talk about it fully. So I don't know if him going on it, you know. Him talk about the stew chicken, but me never make him talk about the rice and peas, you know. Yeah.
All right, fried chicken, or stew chicken, everybody did know.
Yeah.
All right, so y'all do the stew chicken, no, brother. What, may I show you so we are doing stew chicken, you know, boss?
Yeah, tell me.
Right,
you tell me fast, yeah. You tell me, yeah.
We want ginger and me thing.
Chop.
You know me a
ginger.
Man, bad man.
Yeah, ginger.
See?
Your
dog.
Yeah.
See, if you have stew on the chicken, pan a bite, bad man.
Yeah.
If a brown stew, you deal with.
A little piece of ginger for in there.
You know.
Yeah.
You see them you there?
Yeah.
You see me garlic and them something like that.
Yeah.
You see me scallion.
Yeah.
You see me thyme and them something I talk about say yo. If you fry it, if you put in your chicken in a hot time with it when you're done, you the scale the time.
Yeah.
Tonight.
Yeah.
It's going to still stick on the chicken and fry up in it. So no matter if you burn the anything in it, it's still the thing still going to fry on it with the hot oil. That's what I talk about, the time.
No,
so
but him never did say if I put in the time after when the chicken is stewed down.
So all right. Even if it no, you have to put in your time on it if it has stewed down, because you have to season everything.
Raga,
need it.
frost and 90 can't cook. 90 can't cook.
Don't
Oh, you
worry
mean
about
Nine
it.
can't cook? Oh, you mean Nine can't cook? Why you say Nine
Because
can't cook?
9 you talk about in need of meat. You don't need of meat. You're rubbing the season of the meat.
No, but Ilian, when him a say need, he mean rub, man. That he
I don't
mean.
play we need, brother. We don't need meat.
You need
Oh, yeah, need. No, man. We not go on 90, man. God, no. We not go on the band, no.
No,
But me I say,
me
him
know,
and the man do the thing, him
no,
and
but
the rub
yeah,
up
what
the
me I
meat
say
too
no.
much, brother. I have nothing for him, but if I need do something, brother, dumpling no one.
No,
man
but,
for
but
rub
me
it.
no, but him say need, but him really mean rub.
Well, I know everybody understand on 90. 90 coming like him a fried chicken, I mean him a stew chicken. Number one, when you stew chicken, you chop up your chicken. Chop it up. Then you season, you having salt tonight. You know what?
And he add a more salt on that.
A pressure you want give people.
No, sir. Let it on that.
You chop up that and you put
Yeah, listen.
Yeah.
you put your seasoning pan it. Whether you want put all-purpose or chicken season, right?
Yeah.
You tip little bit of browning because you're not gonna make it come out like fire coal as what the lady say.
Yeah. And butter bean chicken. When butter bean chicken they come in like cool.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
fire
make your
cool.
hail hot. And then you just turn over everything in the pot. And then you cover the pot and make it go and steam like a bit.
What you mean? What you mean turn over everything in the pot? The chicken and the seasoning?
No, Raga, you never put no onion or nothing pan in your cut. Listen to me, Raga. You season up your seasoning with the powder.
No, but hold on. A while ago, it sound like you want to drape me up or something or whatever, this and that. And then I'm going to ask you some clarification. How you go like you want to come thump me in my face?
Me not thump in your mouth. You season up your chicken, you chop up your chicken, just like how you da curry chicken and you chop it up in a them size.
Look a small
when
piece,
you brown stew chicken, you do the same thing. Me tired to tell you, chop it up, you sprinkle your powder seasoning and you tip little bit of browning pan it. Rub it in.
You don't need it. You don't never need dumpling for.
High, well hot. And then you just turn over everything in a pot. Stir it little bit and then you cover it. Don't make it go and steam. If you see say it you tip little tip of water.
Well, hug me, like if them want like them a stick on a little bit.
Stick, yes.
Stick on like
in a pot bottom. You tip little bit of water.
Yeah.
And then you cover it up back. And make it go and stay there and steam little bit.
So what like Alien, you not brown chicken first when you had the stew chicken, you not brown it first?
No. Me tired to tell you say the brown one and when you chop off the leg by itself, the wing by itself, the breast by itself, and when you season up that and you fry and take out and put in back and fry and take out. But the chop up one, you chew everything in the pot.
Okay.
The fine one like curry.
Alright.
Everything in the pot. And alright, me reach out when it hug now. You tip little water upon it and cover him down same way. And they turn on your fire low and make it go and steam. You see when it half cook, you have your onion.
Yeah.
Your scallion.
When it half cook, right?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
You have them they cut up. Your scallion.
Yeah.
Your onion. Your thyme. Your garlic. And if you want to put like a piece of ginger. And then you just throw it in there now. And lock back your pot. People who can't cook raga put tomato ketchup in a gravy. People who can't cook raga put Mixup flour water.
Gravy.
Raga, if you can't cook, you just make it go and simmer down and make the wanna gravy.
So hold on, so all of them people out there who are cooking and put look ketchup in it and I do that look flour and water something there in the gravy. What you say? Them people and them can't tell them again, Elaine, them can't cook. Them don't know how to make gravy. Them no eat. Okay.
Tick that I tick up on them.
Yeah.
And me hear 90 coming like him a fried chicken and him a stew chicken. Me no know which chicken 90 just done cook.
But you hear me didn't ask a question though, because I said me not ask him to clarify if I fry him.
Mix up. You see when you join the chicken and you take off the leg and you join it and you take off the wing and the breast and the back and you season up and you know you fry and you turn over, make that side they get color and you turn over again and you know say brown, you take it out, put in a one dish and you put it in a next set now.
Right.
And you catch a color till the whole of them catch color.
Till the whole of them catch color, right?
Yes, and then you put it back in the pot and you chew a little water and chew your seasoning pan it. Now, who want leg get a leg, who want wing get a wing, who want breast get a breast. That is fry and cook down.
Okay.
Brown stew are the fine one.
Okay.
Where you chop up.
So you say basically when 90 talk about in can't cook.
90 can't cook, Raga.
A pretend ship that.
90 no know nothing about.
Well, let me ask Fast Car, let me ask you something. Fast Car. You're not woman. All right, listen to me now. You have some man, when them start out and thing, them go too hard for woman breast and them don't know how to take time. But me ask you something. Right. You never work a breast yet and thing and you know the thing and whatever, and you end up like y'all and need the breast. That never reach you.
All right. So some people want for them breast in need. Me not tell you like you have to do it for a proper deed. But you don't need no breast we rub it in and
you rub it.
So breast.
Yeah, we're not talking about the sucking. No, we just talk about. So when I say you never need, what you say you rub the breast or you need the breast?
Yeah, we can't need it because we have to rub the breast to make sure say everything pacified. Cause if you need it, you have a lump, and sometimes you can disturb the meat, because you can rub the meat and destroy the flesh. No, to be frank with you.
No, when you say you can rub the meat and destroy the flesh, so you can
destroy the flesh because you will put your muscle on it and go so bam and need it in.
Yeah.
Brilliant. And when you go so about the breast get damaged. So sometimes you don't really need you rub it in, brother. Oh. I'm not wrong 90 still now. Reach 90. I'll show you how 90 do with them thing now. 90 look like say if you just come to come eat him food and find out if him food is good. Because I saw him need anything. But me will tell 90 say, brother, me don't want my chicken need up so brother like I say a dumpling and need. So we butter up.
No, I kind of defend 90 as I do, because me I say 90, when 90 say need, it really means say you rub it in the seasoning, that it mean.
I see a meaning as rub it in, but to a mix-up business, I want to try to put it in as I need it. I don't need my Batman, 90 minutes this year, yes, sir.
Yeah, 90, the man, they must say, don't need, rub it in the seasoning, don't need the seasoning. Yeah, real gangster, rubbing seasoning, them not needing seasoning. That the man, they must say, yeah, 90. Yeah, real thugs, rubbing seasoning.
I don't bash him either.
Yeah.
All right, let me ask you something now. All right, suppose you're going to jerk all the chicken a morning. You're going to knead in the season in him, or you're going to rub it in him.
No, me no.
Jerk a chicken.
No, me we more want, let me see. Yeah, me
no,
more.
You can't knead it, brother. You will rub off his skin off of him. What now you tell me, say?
Oh, so a rubbing so go on then, no needing.
You can't
straight rubbing.
Black pepper. And
straight rubbing.
Talk about implement. No, me I tell you, he know about cooking now, but it's implement of seed and all them seasoning when I talk about. Yeah. It needed to go up on the chicken, but when you need the thing, you rub off the thing back.
All right, fast car. All right, man. Respect, man. That thing. Well,
Oh,
Ilian.
respect.
Yeah, man. Ilian, wanna take it to 90 today, man. Duh.
Yeah, man. Cause we there listen.
You see.
When you think and say something here fast, Raga thinking about it, not think fast enough. And how your maga you go a few much weeks ago, go maga down yourself and go whore out yourself. Fast, there are the things there.
Let me come back on that, Raga. Let me come back on that. Raga.
Well,
come back on it. Me soon come back on. Raga.
No, well,
Raga, you reason what I say, so you see.
Fast guy, what you say? Me go war up myself and get maga down. Me go war up myself. Hold on, me go war up myself and Thailand and get. Hold on, a fast guy. Me go war up. Hold on, man. Me go war up myself for Thailand and then and come back maga down. Though.
So, to me see your shoulder drop a little bit. Me I consider it. Hold on.
Yeah.
Guess what?
Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
Raga, me say, me rating or something, me say, yo, I cross the lane like I say, yo, a sheep without a rope. So me say, all right, when he come back in with all the marker down and look like I went, somebody drop off a road because I'm going to get out by girl body. So that he can come back and tell you. Me say, everything me tell this girl that she come back and tell you, she say, nah, I don't do it.
Yeah, I set on to, you know, she say, I set on.
Everything I tell her, one thing though, she not keep no secret. That means we don't have nothing bad about it. You understand, bad man?
Yeah, no, but you see, but you see, alien. You see, if you tell alien something and say not tell nobody, nobody are going to hear it.
You're a joker. What? How me tell you say you go in a place where they
nah, because that's a joke. That's a joke. That's a joke. So that's a cat.
And you know, when he come, he must say, when me tell him say me can't see
enough time in tell me secret.
And when your marker don't know, he must come chat about him and tell you. That means only me tell him a secret and tell you back. You see it? You see that girl there? Everything she me tell her, she tell her back, bad man.
Yeah.
Bad man, she no hide nothing.
All right, fast car. All right, my blessings. Where you say, Ilian? Where you say, Ilian?
Yeah, say enough time fast car tell me certain things and me not talk back and
nah,
say,
Ilian.
you tell them.
Ilian, me know, sir, you don't even know. No, Ilian, me know, say your mouth no loose, man, because enough things you know right there, Jamaica, and I mean, never hear you even mention them and things. Yeah,
anyway.
You understand? See it?
From me know say certain things we reach somebody and they end up in a hospital. Dead house or them something, then me keep my mouth, me lock my eye, Raga.
You see it? You know if you juggle your thing, man.
Yeah, man.
All right, boo, bless up, you know, here.
Anyway, bless up all of the TamFam of them.
Long time. See it?
Tell them bye-bye.
It goes
yeah, Raga, bless up our listeners said we. Yeah, fast car.
Cool, fast car. Large up yourself, man. Rrr.
Yeah, man. Bless up, Jada.
Yeah, man. Brap. Great fast car and Ilian this, you know, whatever. Let me see me wind down, you know, so let me see what is what and see what I go on. All right. Let me see the next person in line. What a person name? Right, that person named Goodwall. Oh, but them not come up. It look like Goodwall not come up, you know. I don't know if I see him thing with TikTok I go on with, you know. Goodwall not come up a while ago. You know, Goodwall never come in front of class, you know. Hello?
Yes.
Things.
Yes, Mr. Nara, you hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you, man. What I go do?
Why a program and make me dead with laugh. The brother there. When name?
Oscar or 90.
90. I tell him to call one, because I tell him get a real drama, man. Real drama, man. One to the coconut milk and the bleach. And the time.
Yeah. No, the bleach thing there kind of boss me a little bit, you know, because I don't really understand why I'm going this with a bleach. So.
Yeah, I'm a certified chef, and I'm here I go and one girl will come in, she know what she has because this is stew chicken, different from brown stew chicken. and she a cook stew chicken.
You know, so we had a big debate about it on one previous show. And you I said the same thing when she has. It says stew chicken different from brown stew chicken. So enough people did I say them are the same thing though, you know?
No. Stew chicken is more soft when it cooked because it's stew. Brown chicken is more firm because it fry crisp or fry hard then cook. And you can do it both ways. Either you chop it up small or you giant it like what she said. And fry it and cook it down. Stew chicken, I wish I said season top with your powder season, chew it in, pre-cook it. Once it's reached
well, I say a bunch of people agree with you. Tropical Nurse, Cheryl Bress, Richard Wayne, Novlet, Cheryl. Yeah, the people that agree with you, and I say, true, you talk, a stew chicken different from brown stew chicken. I thought they were one and the same.
Negative.
See it there.
Confirm negative, 100% negative, my boss.
Oh, okay. Well, some people are listening now because I think Jamaica teddy bear, you know. I think him thinks a stew chicken and brown stew chicken, I see him thing and whatever. And Tasha believes stew chicken and brown stew chicken, I see him thing. Java the same thing.
The people that will come with that, them not reach certain levels of cooking.
Yeah, them not right. Well, and some lower level cooking them are going with, though.
Mid-grade level.
Someone?
Then elevate to certain. Mid-grade.
Mid-grade level, them not up there yet, man.
Yeah.
They not come up in a senior class yet. Them are big enough to the thing, you know? Yeah.
So I just saw it go, what the brother, him take the night for me.
And nine, I first year 90. I first year 90.
No, but tonight with the cooking them attack, I hear and a certified chef.
Yeah, it means so much more to you. Yeah.
True chicken we attack about King.
Yeah.
Chicken. All them misinterpret say him needy and rubbing. You're on the right place, because you're really on another level. That it mean. But the things that we attack, brother. Him come in like a local old man when we know named Willie.
Willie, one old man named Willie. We are talking on phone. Remember now, your voice a muffled way. Look a bit.
I pay 1 pot Willie cook. If Willie cook 10 times for the year at 1 pot.
At 1
everything
pot.
Cooked down in our one.
Everything
cooked down in our one.
In a one, don't.
Tin mackerel, sardine, coconut milk, cornmeal, everything. And Willie trunk. From your youth, I know Willie, you know. Willie, you know Willie, you drink and junk and dig pit. You know the man used to have pit toilet at Jamaica? Yeah, that's how Willie work.
Wow.
From a barn, Willie, an old man, a junk and a cook 1 pot and dig pit.
Scene.
Only thing Willie have a fork, pickaxe, in pot, in rum buckle, and in rope leather for go down in a pit. Some pit are 15 feet deep.
Yeah. And from a man that waters in dig any hole, though.
Any pit, the man that dig out and full like a gravel and make soak away.
Yeah, one Willie. All right, Papa,
Yeah,
that's
man.
a word. Here, big up yourself, here.
Heart of love to you and the crew, though.
It goes some man. Manners and blessings, man. Street protection, you know. Honor.
Likewise. Can be safe, be careful out here.
Proper. Scene. Well, I think the consensus is there now, you know, people. Stew chicken different from brown stew chicken. Stew chicken different from brown stew chicken, right? We can accept that. So all I want to who fight it, and I said, no, go so enough. Come round to the thing because it look like a death of the knowledge there, you know? See, until Latisha says she learned there. And thing. Hello. Me nah gaze in the car, me soon gone. So if we not hear somebody, I let go. Yeah, Latisha says she learned. Okay, she keep it 100, you know. All right. So she learned. Stew chicken different from brown stew chicken. Okay. Hello.
Hi, good night. How are you?
I'm a day I give thanks, you know, while I go on with you.
All right. Brown stew chicken. I say you say right?
Yeah.
So what you say again? Stew chicken.
Different
And
from brown stew chicken, yeah. Stew chicken,
Yes.
brown stew chicken different from stew chicken. That was it. That them a teach me. Yeah.
I think it's the same, but it depends because the brown stew have more color. Like you would have put brown in it, or I guess it's the way how you do it. Because stew chicken don't have to be brown stew chicken. I'm not sure if there's a difference. But fricassee chicken different too.
No, we know. We debate this already, you know, right?
Oh.
And we debate everything already. So we don't want even go complicate it with the fricassee right now, because that is a total different thing. So we don't want to add that dimension in there. I just want to accept it that it seems to be the consensus for the most part, not shared by everybody, but in my opinion, the majority, that there's a brown stew chicken where you actually brown the chicken and them something there and whatever.
Right.
What it confused me the last time, you know, I mean, I want to bring it up again, but what it confused me the last time, brown stew chicken, where you brown the chicken, you kind of fry it, like semi-fry it and thing and whatever,
Yes.
and then whatever, that is brown stew chicken. Then now, what them did I explain the last time, when them say stew chicken now, that can have in browning. But it confused the frig out of me and whatever. But apparently, you can put a little browning in stew chicken. But with brown stew chicken, the one when you brown stew chicken now, the one that when you brown the chicken, and them I said that one that you don't really need no browning in that. That them explained to me the last time, you know.
In my opinion, is the same. We see people in the comment that talk about it different time. If you come down, me nah come down. To me, it's the same. It's the same style.
Hold it here. Hold it. But you see the same thing.
Me nah come
hold
down.
it.
Me nah come down.
Come down. Hold it here. To you are the same thing. Are the same thing, you know it. But hold on. You see the difference? All right, let me just be clear. The key difference here with them is, with brown stew chicken, you brown the chicken first, right? You know, then I fry it up a little bit, and then you cook it down with a little water, a little oil, and you put in the seasoning. Right. What am I say with stew chicken now? You put in the chicken with the seasoning. You know, pot.
Right. I stew it
with
down.
A little oil, and then stew it down. Yes, so that is a key difference. So they must have two different tastes that are two different process, are two different things there. But the part where it just nearly mad me was them call the one that's the one up on the side anyway, bro. And the one that them call brown stew chicken, you know.
Yes.
But then them end up and say, oh, you don't put browning in a brown stew chicken. You put browning. You can put a little browning in a stew chicken, but no browning in brown stew chicken. So in here brown stew chicken, but no browning can go in there.
But don't listen to me.
No, but my father them do. I may get it in at the end, you know.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
I mean, don't want nobody disrespect me now. Come me a big chef.
Yeah, so, big chef. Don't come down here. They must say them why you them talk about you for come down. Don't come down.
I mean, nah, come down.
Don't come down.
Me I stay up here whole night.
Yeah, turn up there. All right then. Yeah, got your back, Brad.
The big Brad. My name Natalie Clark.
Natalie Clark.
Look for the comment here. You are bottom level cookies. Go for me, sir. You don't know cookies.
I want to eat you.
The one
Navlet, yeah. I threw the brethren before. I said, no, them are on the level, you know. Them the rise to the level. I would cook it. And some entry level cook at them there.
Make them go along, because when me cook for me food, the Dutch pot and the whole of them, they say lockdown.
Yeah. And Navlet with a liquor 10 finger, you know, she taste your cooking, yeah. So make Navlet galang and a hype and a show off, don't. When somebody a
Listen,
beat,
it's good to have a laugh.
me know somebody a beat you with 90 talk. Them say you're up at IP level.
Look here.
Yeah.
Look here, Raga. Raga, let me tell you something. It
Yeah.
is good to have a laugh.
Yes, man.
All the negative comments, wanna go cook in a late, go cook.
Yeah, man. I said we juggle over here, though. We ramp rough, you know, playful. We just not take it too far and be disrespectful, but you know, we ramp rough and play and have fun over
And
here.
Lovelet, we're gonna cook for you tonight.
Yeah.
We're gonna send some brown stew chicken your way.
That's right, yeah, cause she sound hungry, don't?
Somebody said me sound like Oliver Samuels. No problem. I mean, no, Oliver Taylor, yesterday. I must say him, I declare him must say rub off for me.
Me don't know if I you them I say armies, but I probably me don't know. Okay. All right then.
Well, maybe.
Yeah, man.
But anyway,
Blessings, man. All right.
have a great night.
Yes, man.
And me, I got to some fricassee chicken tomorrow. Good night.
All right then, Natalie. Blessings, man. See it? Okay, cool. God. Yeah, man, I love them energy. I want to have them energy, you know, nice and playful and cool. But if me know say me fat, you see it? Me know, man. Me know. A whole heap of you know, I sitting here now and whatever. I'm ready to leave now. Yes, if I'm there from night, I will not come in. But the whole I don't want to come in and talk about food now. A beef, food and chicken I don't want to talk about now for the rest of the night. When lucky, I am leaving. I'm going to have a call in. And then tomorrow, I'm going to come in back early. I'm going to come in. Hold on. When I tell you, enough people in the box now, you know, yes, if I went early, me I talk. Enough people in the box right here now. Hello.
Thank you. I am okay. Okay, bring it.
That's not true.
Carol.
Yes, Raga.
Yeah, man, you did a sleep in the, oh God, at what time I London now?
I don't know that happened.
But you did a sleep, but you never did a snoring. No, we just hear the sleeping, but I never snoring.
No, I wasn't sleeping, Raga. I'm listening to the lady who sound like she can't cook.
Like she can't cook.
Yeah.
Oh, Natalie
That's
Clark.
what you name talking about fricassee chicken and brown stew chicken.
Yeah. Well, you say she sound like she can't cook. Take it to her, yes, yeah. Take it to her, yes, Cara.
Natalie, you sound like you can't cook.
Why you say that? She was just saying it to her. It's the same thing. Well, you don't think brown stew chicken is not the same as stew chicken?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? Okay, but why you say she sound like she can't cook?
Because you were explaining, and then she came on, and you know, it's like she actually didn't hear what you were saying, and then she was coming to say something totally different, and then you start explaining to her again. Because she said, "Oh, what did you say?"
Well, I think she was just making an argument that, you know, essentially there's really no difference between brown stew chicken and stew chicken. That is basically the argument she was making, you know. So
to be honest,
you cook brown stew chicken different from stew chicken?
Well, I cook it and think it's the same.
It's the same. Then you and I are on the same level then? You and I are on the same level then? You, she, and Antasha, the whole only thing brown stew chicken and stew chicken is the same thing.
I'm looking for company.
Well, you, she, Antasha, Munchie, Delmarine, and Nakibi. All I only think brown stew chicken and stew chicken is the same. Yeah.
Well, as I say,
well, I turn off that song there in the background, because when this post them go say this song copywriting when it posts over YouTube.
Sorry.
Yeah?
I'm sorry.
No man, no problem.
Yeah.
And so when it posts over YouTube, even if the background music them
it's African music.
Yeah, sounds good though.
Yeah.
So what go on?
Boy, I'm just here.
Oh, you up so late tonight? People, she's in London and they're 5 hours ahead, So what time is it there now? 9:30. So about 2:30 for you, Asa? Something like so.
Now it's 2:30, Raga.
Okay, cool. So what go on, boo?
Raga, I'm just here. I'm not complaining. I'm just giving thanks,
See it there. Blessings,
Things could
man.
be worse and it could be better. I don't want to complain because there are some people out there going through situation that they can't mend,
Right.
I appreciate every day.
See that blessings, man.
That I can afford, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Raga,
Every day
I
is
had a mix up what I can't call. I'm ashamed to call it and talk about it, but another time anyway, yeah.
No.
About my Roland bottle. Yeah.
Well, give me them before we go. Give me that one there before we go. Please. May I ask you? Give me the one, boy. You roll on buckle. All right, tell me.
Raga, I had an Avon Roland bottle that
Yeah.
I was so in love with, Like before I met my husband, I didn't have a boyfriend or anything like that. I used to use my Roland bottle to satisfy myself. Oh my God, I love my Roland bottle so much, but I had to throw it away in the end.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Well. So the
Oh my
Roland buckle,
God.
it did round on the top down.
Okay, let me tell you what I did, okay?
Yeah.
Lord of Jesus, I want to pretend like him sleeping and listening to me.
No, man. I could hear it,
Okay,
man.
what I do, because there wasn't much in it, so I just poured whatever in the content, I just poured out, I wash out the bottle, and then, the ball, I just put little Vaseline on it, and I put it back in the bottle,
Yeah.
and I cool it. I was at my aunt at the time,
Yeah.
down in Derby, and down there was so cold. Oh my God, and my auntie, I was like, oh my God, Jesus Christ, I wonder if anybody listening to
Nobody now
my
listen.
family.
No, they're
And
not listen. Yeah.
listen, in the room, that I was staying in, that's where my auntie keep, in the room that I was staying, in my room that I was staying, that's where my aunt keep all her cosmetics and her church hat and all these things. And then I had the bottle. Oh my God. It was such a pleasure.
No, but
And
what you
then,
say you do with the buckle, you take out and you throw out the liquid out it and then.
I take the cover off.
Yeah.
And I just lie down and take it and just roll it down there.
Down there. So what on there
Down
then?
there.
But no more deodorant never left in night when you use it.
No.
Oh, okay.
At first, when I started using it, there was deodorant in it. But when I said, oh my God, I didn't know this bottle was so nice. So in the end, I had to throw away the roll-on out of it. But the first time, I used it like a Saturday night.
Yeah.
And then Sunday morning, my auntie was getting ready to go to church.
Yeah.
I should take up the bottle, and I see my aunt drop me and eat her up. I was frightened. And I'm thinking, all the deodorant that she had, why did she have to take up my boyfriend?
Yeah.
And throw her and I jump. And I hold my chest. My auntie said, Carol, are you okay? I said, I'm fine. And she said, are you sure? I said, I just have a sharp pain in my stomach. She said, you want to go to the hospital? I said, no, auntie, I'm good. I just said, okay. Raga, I was sweating because, I was frightened.
Right. For Sierra use a Roland buckle after you. So when you did use it the first time and you never throw out the thing, when you did done and you get your little release and you have your happy moment, your white name they did it did smell good though. Is a deodorant? It was a deodorant or antiperspirant. Because if an antiperspirant, then that means it dry up a liquid then, so it probably dry up some liquid off it.
No, listen, Raga. I take my time.
Mm-hmm.
Let me close the bedroom door.
Yeah, close it.
I don't think Sleeping.
Yeah. Oh, see, asleep. Am asleep? Yeah.
Sometimes he pretend to be sleeping.
Yeah.
1 second. Ian? Ian? You okay? All right.
Okay. Lock your door, lock your door, lock your door, lock your door.
I told you.
Yeah.
Anyway, I take my time.
Yeah.
And I tick downstairs because I'm thinking, oh my God, I'm feeling really,
Right.
Yeah. So I take my time and I went downstairs
Mm-hmm.
and I pour out whatever in the bottle.
Out of the bottle, yeah.
Yes.
And you put back the ball?
I put back the ball in.
Yeah.
And I tried it out downstairs.
Uh-huh.
And it felt good, but I said, no, I want to lie down. So I went back upstairs and I started, oh my gosh.
So when the ball in night and you use it, the ball still a roll though.
Yes, the ball is rolling.
Oh, and that get a nice little feel when the ball, when you roll it. When you roll the ball pan, that's something they do.
Oh yes, that's something. You know that's something, Raga.
That's something there. That's something there. Yeah, that look of something there. Yeah. Wow. So when you said that look a roll-on bottle ended up being
I didn't need a boyfriend that could talk or could walk. It was just right there.
He was just right there. Yeah, look a roll-on bottle. Okay. And you work with it for a while and thing.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I tell myself I didn't need a boyfriend at the time.
At the time.
Okay. Yes, I was okay.
Yeah.
And I had it for a long time.
A long time you are rolling did that juggle though. You are rolling.
Yeah. And I couldn't wait for it to finish so I can have it for myself. Yes.
What do you mean finish?
Because it's a small amount in the bottle. And
but I think you did chew off of the thing, everything out
I put it back. No, I put it back. It's not mine. It doesn't belong to me. It's for my auntie.
So well on, when you chew out the something on them and then use it and thing and whatever, you put in back the liquid in there for your auntie use it?
Yes.
So that's it.
That's why I had chest pain. That's why we're using it.
And of course, this a long time. So them time then when you put in back the liquid and your auntie use it back again or whatever, then auntie I rub up
out of respect, when I finish using it, I just wipe it off.
You wipe it off and clean it, but the truth is, like liquid is residual. That means it is, you may have cleaned it, but some microparticles of it that. So let's be honest here.
I don't.
No. Let's be honest here. Your auntie was walking around with your pony juice under her arm.
Oh yes.
Remember your auntie had to hug somebody and say, "Hi, Clarabelle," and Clarabelle is like,
I wasn't happy at all. I wasn't happy.
It's all good. So good.
That's my Mixup.
Yeah, man. All right. No, that's a good one for end the show with that thing. All right. Blessings, man.
All right, sweetheart. Love you, Raga.
Yeah, I love you too, Carol. Big up yourself, man.
Right,
good to hear from you. Good to hear from you.
Bye, darling. Bye.
Yeah. Aye, boy. Yeah, one day. Auntie, I go around, so the roll-on feel kind of different and whatever. It's like, I don't know. It's like the liquid feel thicker. I'm just saying, people don't vex me. I go Lego ya know, yeah? I Lego ya know. All right. I go Lego ya know. Oh God. Well, honestly, we have a subscriber here, man. I just want to bring it. A subscriber, them, Don't vex me. I leave out the subscriber. Subscriber get special treatment. Hello. Ain't no money in there. Yeah, man, me have to let go in and me have some work for go do ya know one thing. And say
Hello.
hello.
Hi. I'm not gonna keep you, but I just wanted to clarify this brown stew chicken situation.
Wait, are you
Is
in
everyone
Are you also in London?
I am.
You're in the
But
UK.
I'm Jamaican, so I don't want anyone to say that I don't know what I'm doing.
All right,
So
I could hear what you answer, man. All
just to
right.
clarify, right? And I come from Old Harbour in the country, so I
All
know
right.
what I'm talking about. The
Yeah.
brown stew chicken is the one with the browning that you just cook down, right? Back in the day, we used to use the sugar to brown it up back in the day.
Right,
But the
right.
stew chicken is the one you fry, stew down, and put little ketchup in there to kind of mellow the gravy.
Okay, no, but what they explained the last time we had this debate,
They did it the other way round.
yeah, them said the brown stew chicken, because you don't brown it, them say you use little browning for get little color. That was the argument, which kind of makes
Nah,
sense.
that's stew
Well,
chicken
no,
or
I'm
cooked
just telling
down.
you what them saying. Them say stew chicken. Sorry, them say stew
Mhm.
chicken, right? Because you don't brown it, like fry it little bit and get color.
Yeah.
You put little browning on the stew chicken. That is what them say, which kind of makes
No,
sense.
that's brown stew chicken.
No, them said
Brother.
no. They said that was stew
Don't listen
chicken,
to them.
and then them say brown stew chicken now. And if you listen, the logic is you brown it and then you stew it, which makes sense.
No, but how are you gonna have brown stew chicken without browning?
No. That is what I'm explaining to you. And listen now. And it took me a while. What they're saying is that it's not the browning make it brown stew chicken. The liquid. They're saying is you brown it before you stew it. So when you brown it, as we Jamaicans say, you fry it up a little bit and get color, hence the browning. And then after it's brown, you stew it. So that is why it's brown stew chicken, because chronologically, you brown it first and then you stew it. So that is why it's brown stew chicken. But what they're saying with the other one, you don't brown it first. They're saying you just stew it. So that is why it's just stew chicken. But then the little caveat is when you're doing stew chicken though, it's optional, they'll say. You just put a little brown in it for get little color.
Raga, no amount of convincing is gonna convince me otherwise. Because let me tell you.
Yeah, you come from Old Harbour, you know where you're talking Yeah.
Because I used to, when I was younger, we used to have the option of using the browning, and I like it this way with the sugar. Back in the days, because my granny used to teach me to cook, you use the sugar to brown the chicken, right? And for all my life, that's how I know it. And when you go to a restaurant now and you ask for brown stew chicken, they don't give you the fried and stewed down. They give you the one that you guys are calling stew chicken, which is brown stew chicken.
Now, remember, me can't cook, I just tell you what them tell me.
That's why they don't listen to them.
Me never listen to them, no. Me listen to you,
listen to me.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
All right. So I just had to come and say my piece. I'm going to go to bed. It's almost 3 o'clock.
It's like that one that did a ride here, look at me and say, no, I have to talk about that something, and I have to represent for Old Harbour.
I couldn't even sleep.
All right, that's our word, Sassy.
Somebody saying I'm right. Thank you. See? I got 2 people that saying I'm right.
Yeah, but before, when me did I say whatever, and I tell you what them say, like some people I say exactly, Novelet and Drake Cute and things. So
they don't come from country. I'm country girl. I know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, you know what you're talking about.
I know what I'm talking about. Drake, what you mean I don't know what I'm talking about? I know what I'm talking about. Listen to me, brother,
Novelet said, no, you're not.
Good. Lovely, I'm right. And thank you for everybody agreeing. Thank you.
All right. Now, Sharon, man, blessings here.
All right, I
Cool.
won't keep you. I'm gonna go bed.
Yeah, man, blessings, man. Yeah, okay,
bye.
cool. Yeah, I love this playfulness, man. Crash out. So Raga, the baby said, "Good night, Raga." She sees you on the screen. You got headphones in. Okay, good night, little cutesy woodsy, little cutesy woodsy. I think, all right, bless her, bless her, bless her. I love the little debate and thing and whatever. But again, you know, you hear right, Miss Wolaba just said fine, but it took me a while, but I see the logic where the other people, I must say, you know. I see some people have said, no, you're describing fricassee chicken when you fry the chicken. No, even me know that. Right? Me know say fried chicken for Jamaicans, fried chicken is different from when you brown the chicken by frying it to stew it down. Jamaicans don't confuse that. Because Jamaicans will just cook fried chicken by itself. Now, when you're cooking fricassee chicken, you actually fry the chicken. Even me learned that now from one who explained to me, right? So don't confuse when you actually fully fry the chicken for the fricassee chicken with, frankly, my mother used to do it too, which is you should fry the chicken a little bit in order to make brown stew chicken. It's so my mother do it. My mother always, for Miss Cherry, always fry the chicken a little bit. She said, if you give it color, you fry it a little bit, and then she stew it down. So that is why it's called brown stew chicken, because you brown it first by frying it a little bit, a type of fry that is different from if you have fried chicken to eat fried chicken by itself, or you have fried chicken to take it to the next stage to make fricassee chicken, right? So Miss Cherry do it that way there, right? But other people are say stew chicken now, which makes sense if you think about the chronology. So by saying stew chicken alone, they're saying you don't fry it up to brown it, like what Elaine said. So Elaine explained that part there. So that's a stew chicken. Because you literally a stew. Because really, you know, when you stewed on something in general, you don't fry it, you know. Most stew where people cook them, put in them thing and it's stew. So if you follow that logic, it's the same thing applied to the chicken. Let me say that again. Most stews that people cook, but you have thousands of stews all over. Them not fry things first, you know. So that's why if you cook that thing they saw where you put everything in a pot at some point, that is a stew. But it makes sense when Jamaicans say like, no, that is stew. If you just a stew, you just a stew. So but when Jamaicans say brown stew chicken, you know, they must say you have to brown it first. When me did get confused is that me did get kind of caught up with the term brown. So when I did explain it first, somebody go say, no, you don't use browning in a brown stew chicken. You just use it in a stew chicken. So me like, then if you name brown stew chicken, why wouldn't you use browning? Right? So that doesn't just confuse me. Because I must say, no, you don't use browning in a brown stew chicken, but you use browning in a stew chicken. But if you really think about it, it makes sense. If you're not fry it over in a stew chicken feet, get look of color, but you want it to have look of color, then it makes sense you're going to use look of browning over here, because you never did brown it by frying it a little bit, you know? But if you over yourself with brown stew chicken and you fry it up a little bit, forget the color and it brown and it have that little fried taste there in it too and all them something there, whatever, look of flavor in it. Because remember it done season up and ready. Then it have that something there already, so you won't necessarily need browning over here. So in a brown stew chicken. I know it kind of sounds converse, but after a while, I grasp it and think whatever, you know. Okay, This is, I agree with. I'm just repeating what was taught to me. So you see, we learn things here. Okay, we do, and it is stuff that is relevant to our wonderful, textured, and layered, and sometimes subtly complicated Jamaican culture that is simultaneously beautiful and extraordinary and just like the envy of the world to many and think we are special. Indeed we are. All right, people, big up on yourself and think, blessings and think. Tomorrow again, 6 o'clock U.S. Eastern Standard Time here, 6 p.m. The same thing I would juggle again, all right, which is, so I need to start the show like around 5 o'clock. No, but that's going to be a little difficult for me. You see, me can't start them a little early, because the England people, them get a little beaten, And then we start at 5 o'clock. Because when we start the show, 6 o'clock, it's 11 o'clock for them, And that kind of rough on them, you see. And Katie, I said, no, keep it at 6 p.m. All right, people, good night. Sooner tomorrow, yeah? All right. Blessings, man. Cool. Oh, if you're here and you're not following me yet, make sure you follow me before you leave. Follow me before you leave, okay? Oh. Yo, people do remember, I said this Saturday a DJ Crisscross party here. I am there. See me already in my red and black hat. All right. This Saturday, DJ Crisscross. I keep on, I forget. This Saturday, DJ Crisscross party right here in a Queens, on Springfield Boulevard, which part Monica's used to, the place where I used to name Monica's, okay? This Saturday, DJ Crisscross's birthday party. People, come out for that. This Saturday, DJ Crisscross. Yeah, Cheryl Bless Raga. You ready for Crisscross birthday party already? Red and black already, right? Cool. Oh, yeah. No, Cook, I'm going to link you. Yeah, I'm going to link you. All right? People, come out for my little brother birthday party and remind me to talk about it tomorrow, yeah? And on Friday, so I don't do regular lives on Friday, but I will do one because I want to hear about, push the party and thing, all right? So this Saturday, DJ Crisscross birthday party. Okay? This Saturday, DJ Crisscross birthday party. Forward for that. Okay, good night.